And you have to be proud and say a big thank you to God Almighty for what He's done for you. Now, I say, and then Friday, Ochina, the National Annual Delegate Conference of the New Patriotic Party. Ochina, our University of Ghana, Legon Sports Stadium. That's where the action is going to be tomorrow. And today, young Komodo Drona, a center on the National Annual Delegate Conference of the New Patriotic Party. And we have lined up some personalities to engage right here today. Key amongst our lineup is our former majority leader, Honorable Osei Mensah Bonsu. He is going to be on the line, so we have a communication as regards Ochina Wamo Conference Ibekoso. And again, we'll be talking to the chairman of the National Planning Committee of the New Patriotic Party, Ora Joe Osei Wuso. During the 8th and the 7th Parliament, he was the first deputy speaker. And of course, yes, upon Chechekua, one SOMPA FM reporter, as we speak now, information is that he's on the grounds there. Then also our sports stadium, the University of Ghana Sports Stadium. So please, if you want to have all the relevant and concrete information, remember, sir, all those information and more right here on the station SOMPA 106.5 FM in Accra. Remember, as a show, it's live on SOMPA 106.1 FM in Techiman, and again live on SOMPA 101.1 FM Ewo Thakwa. Na this year Ewo multi TV dig box no so no ye was say dia sigda any kabia edemabo. So come multi TV do so ye was so SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Uko na multi TV do so obehu ye wo na wetie yen. Now I know, sir, this is one show. We have availed ourselves for the show to be very, very, very interactive. Show no, show no. So it's for that reason why your Facebook wall, we have told you that so for God and country so but Facebook wall your Facebook wall is SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. So now page, then you see the live program for God and country. It is streaming over there. And also know that would you comment via the Fahwa Yabaji Brenny can comment in the amount of SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country a Juba dear so. And again, Nana Jana Bako Hey! Sorry, and then Nana would be in the studios. Issues of national concern, issues bordering on Nyamabia, Hintayeno, San Comoninaro, Adia Yebedi, was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Obiano, I want you to keep glued to your radio and have a conversation that is going to be unfolding. So, this is the station that informs you best, and I want you to be a part of the show. Don't you go anywhere, and then we're going to be having a conversation now. Honorable Joe Osei Usu, sir, yaba a year National Planning Committee. Wamatia, omode share a year one annual delegate conference ya ombabe enuswa. Ono ene titrenia odano. Honorable, yama kwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country jubedieso.
Yeah, hello.
Na apom te say.
So yeah, to me who yeah, most know what to say.
Yeah, yes, we are who yeah pa. And this is just to announce. This is just to announce to you that SOMPA 106.5 FM is in Accra now, and then we run a political talk show named For God and Country. Now, I couldn't tell friend that say, you're going to say, one hour the chairman of the planning committee for the annual National Delegate Conference. So far, no. Okay. So far, no. You have seen this as a untutuya eduseng.
Untutuya de nyamiatum. Said the SSN no. Nina koso pepe. Delegates will be crash after ever. And say, Omo chiri no. omunsha se mfie no nyumre enti yeni da so ne se enyume die upia oba bi no obeba bebi omu beta hu ne omu nyina enwi se do obediem ene omu akoni abadiem ya ye from the nyina enwi se sie ni kina the gun sports stadium ha ni tua nhyehyɛ ya so no ma ye hyehyɛ se de be ya said ye sumo se conference about ubia benya baby atina ho ka o se ye de tag ebobo ho region na nipa na ba o mu nyina anya baby atina kama ye hyehyɛ platform ne sound system so the baby obi dire pani bia o kata baby na bia o kata wo park ni so enti akoni ase nyina mu ya ho boa akoyie kama
Now, I was reading somewhere and I came across issues bordering on accreditation. I don't know, you had said, sir, Obi Bia, Wabebawa, only accreditation, Biano, that person will not be allowed entry into the arena. But we want to find out accreditation and who you mano, and you be a more Viana.
Oh, you could sit in the French super and necessary. Accreditation no local country entry mamusu it so den
sir as a media house be 8 years sia ana blogger be 8 years sia na say nipa ne person hu be bia obetimi aba for the accreditation be part process no saying
accreditation they say group one media for there omu MC online kwana ye media communication director ka so omu register and so be a catch no register ya we so say on hwehwe ayagba communication director owo ground house here on hwehwe no a obetro mo kwan so a obenya na obeka ho ye media village hono media for ni nyina betina na ya mo direct feed no mo dey ayo betima enti Sebel benya kwa media village hono. Mesu zemu mesu binya bia ana on file dada on hwa agba or conference ground have here.
Now, what about issues of security? Bambo Hwansem.
Oh, Bambo Hwansem. Yen ye de nipa security for be apim na yen yafa. And sana o mine security. So your police or your fire service or your national ambulance or or mine security. And sana any ankatanso nipa ya babo obano akwanhuro nyina so mbeboa ama enema koto tin ya bob delegates any special officer mo ba ho pan no no so yen nipa be apim ena ya babo obano a yede omo.
So it means that the organizing committee say they wouldn't want to rely solely on Aban security, but rather Mwankasabu security mufi se omuso betimi augment Aban security amejumana akototin.
Yeah, no nipa ye ba had also Aban security kwa ye conference in one town so nti ye omu benya mayen and Omama henu person a voice for but any pam pim or chekom pimu do never the voice for her anything but no colonel or minor so young choir home intentum the numahoro as well possible almost here bambo into the omanya no near so yes so now yes bear after my capua make it say the baby to come.
We have seen some messages emanating from the Pekubia a war a moment you couldn't move press or pre debre. And I see, sir, some have started campaigning, but without on the grounds, how are you going to manage that situation?
Oh, on the ground today, and say, Nipa and them, Yabobia money, sir, and fact. Contestant who there will be a maho. And all the poster Tarawa, the other one. All the t-shirt, and now Cadebia, a book from where they were back. What the billboard, the Tiwa, Yebitu, your person with you, a year conference, yeah, best church, yeah, journey, a far, the constitutional amendment, the whole one. A real party be nomination. Momaka, maybe I'm doing campaign, but the party that actually, I'm consider wait here. It's all more campaign from the
Honorable Wadaromo, now Ochinano Senate, you made the in the form of an agenda for tomorrow's business.
Agenda the first and the most one any constitutional amendment. And after opening ceremony, no penifo, Vemo Mukamo Makasa, Omo 3 or 4, Omo share the Omo Mushi Ukraine. Omo ya Penny Atani, Jumedina Constitutional Review Committee. No more the amendments are for a month for a proposal or market canning in our money. Omo de Abba, na yeti Hutuma. Largely, an only main agenda, constitutional amendment.
Ochina de eno ho adwuma na mobey.
Nyame adoma no.
Now, within the media space, there's this story that is hovering over there. The kase nipa mienu bi edi asem na kodi asem di bia se anka be anka court no enmamo enhyemo na mo ntwentwen so kakra ansa na mo aye mu annual delegate conference. Honorable, asasem no ye bisa se akwakosi sen
enra na jo you ubi as a liver natural 2 people apply for injunction against MPP ye mehuna no minim separate no ya serve injunction application no say serve minim but application enya kohoi in Saka, a lawyer for the 200. The kind of short one and one.
So it means that officially, the party has not been served with any writ of summons.
So, mean to me means that there no one answer. So, she have been making a conference ground for her. It's free, the nano Joada, and the National Council, a friend, the camera, you see who you, and she say, I said, more and I said, more dear, into me, what I see. That's all.
Honorable Wadaroma, your best friend, you're the common ABC, but there is so, there is this one thing that we want to seek clarification to. I don't know if the early Congress issue are Edam and Yokuno. And you being the head of the planning committee, sa issue no ababetom wenim. And sa ababetom wenim, is it going to be considered as one of the major reforms for the delegates to cast their votes and to make a decision on that for the early Congress?
Early Congress, okay. Congress, yeah, you mean. And one I'm beginning to say,
because this one is the conference, and the early Congress is the one Ebebaso on the 31st of January 2026 for the flag bearership elections.
Okay. And there, so we say a national council and a 2 million war over my date. And no one family made me be a 7 Made you made there. And no one say, have delegates, party why you are going to pine now, mother, margin a war, constitutional amendments. You really are Mary Meduma, you delegate, National Council in Catholic, in tape. So, Mrs. Salman was somewhere than a dear, but the American Diabus in Car. So, maybe I understand, as you want, here in her conference I had 2 years, June, and look at. We are maybe the result of another quite being.
And I would just say so for God and country, and I say, Yo, yes, and I say, Sumpa 106.5 FM Sunye Forgotten Country. Patrick, next time.
I'm Adam.
Bibi Abokori.
I'm Adam ordinary and next year Friday.
Now wait here. Joe says.
Matini pa.
One said no person in who be for the
That's right. And that is
Oh didn't lay mu pepe.
Yeah.
Also didn't lay.
Yeah. He's really playing the leadership, you know.
On the also organization. But I read to Eddie Ase who you fans and no dear. Yeah.
Also on Kawasa. On the organization.
Oh, yeah, organization.
Say beko ye otina. Na me ya doma. Say bibia beko ye na MPP for be your delegate conference no. Na bibia kosi to. Bibia nya hwe bibia nsi no. Eno ani na ni so ade hu. Enti ye papa wakasa ye pa wakasa ye.
Oh wakasa there. He spoken his mind, he spoken his sense. Say ono no kasa ro kano na efa ono na dwuma na party ni and he tells us that everything is in order. But the one thing he has said the party itself would come out with their own security.
That's right.
To support the security of the state.
Yes.
For the Congress. Yes. And the reason he has signed and they say Nipana Ebano Edosu and 500 policemen being released and that's 500 security men released by the state and yadia one number no ebeso. It's for that matter adding more
and we here prof security there we here enti ebo modern amunye bibia totin mayen na ochina no asumdwe mraboko na de beko bia no yenso e ha Sumpa 106.5 FM Accra yenso bibia betudwa.
Okay, so building together with our values, woman going to Honorable Kennedy Ohene Akompreko a Japan message ya what they ama a delegates amoba a conference.
MPP for delegates, me mamu nyina achi. Emo makwa ba mo amabedu. Mo amunam kwa so ban misre nyankopon pa yema so mfa mwedu asomdwem. Na memenda omienkofa adwene and take decision betimi aboa Ghana mine or be a Ghana for peno. Na ye timi di age power. Mfi se power na ye pe. Ti memenda bibi MPP for delegate me mamu nyina achi. Emo makwa ba mo amabedu. Mo amunam kwa so ban misre nyankopon pa yema so mfa mwedu asomdwem. Na memenda omienkofa adwene and take decision betimi aboa Ghana mine or be a Ghana for peno. Na ye timi di age power. Mfi se power na ye pe. Ti memenda bibi a moye bia na monwene Ghana ma ho na monwene efomfo no ne omu pe ne enyema ho ne yesa mawa enkonyimdi be ye dia 2028.
All right, so this is a key message emanating from Honorable Kennedy Ohene Ejepon, a presidential primaries aspirant for the New Patriotic Party. And I'll tell them, now we are still searching on the neck. If we get other messages from the aspirants or people wanting to lead the NPP, would be making sure we make those messages available to you right here on Sumpa 106.5 FM in Accra. Yenya upon checheku ewa humano so upon yema kwa baba for God and country jubedi so
Major Subema
upon bahore
adumnya hwe me gidi tamo so ho ye
na asam ti de bi wo echiri aye de benga
de ni de ye bia ye de aman central se yenhwe na ye mount yen niema wo kyerɛ nyame ya adoma ye de ebeye adwuma eno ana enam so ema osi de sakana but all the same no me mobile ti baby o me de aman central for na say mako baby e da fem kakra ni eni nkomo ye betima to aso
so far no Legon sports stadium no o me conference no twa homfonyin kakra nkyerɛ ne nhwɛ the ekoso because a tiefo a person omuhu the ekoso
me da say nyame adoma wochina dwumadie no ebekoso ewo eye University of Ghana Sports Stadium
na sports stadium yi biaye bi a yesiye enhye danche ya tese mtie bi ko etwa mu ko na anu na nsenye yi yetimi di hosi ebibre mu anu sei agudi bia nti no biaye bi a eson papa na me ha mani nka ochina nipa doma ebeba ha no sei ni de menyi ni se obi beba ha no sei aka se wa ba ma no ho akire no ana so obi beka se wa ba ha no sei ama sie mpa ye ka sei niema bia ira na se bia on fele comfortable nipa domo ba be twehie ntine bi be wie akire na beko beba no eno so akwakoye bibia ewo ho nti no ade a ahoboa ene ahotiesie ade a eguso ekoso ewo ahanum sei
na mami bi so bambo for no anya bia na sabre ebia ba be kansa wo ana
anopa no ena mehu aposifo omode wo nadie ya na omode jiban omabehihye bebre na wochina no bambo nsem ewo bia no sei be kese pa ebepema konanim esanse se mu amunim University of Ghana Sports Stadium yie no biaye bia esopa na ekura nchichemu mini ya chichemu atese ambu pokura ewu bie nti wochina no abambofo eni niema omode ba ha no sei no sesie ya meka sei minam underground ho no mo na hu se ye de nadie ni bi ato ICC ha no ni nyina atese wochina ha no sei no enya ade a nipa ebehye da twem ewa ha no sei se ne na omo bie kwan a ene obi a itimi enam ebinu nti mo ochina ne de dwumadie no ebeye de na sesie ye kasei ahoboaboa nsentrofo bi ene eja afoforo ni wo muso a planning committee no ene omo hye matching na sesie ya mekasei omani abre a omuguso eboaboa omani ma no etoto ne ma hwese ochina no machine enkodi omuhamo ebi mpokura eja enkoto ba bi match se ne be wie che ne jedu mfonso eba ntini nyina ne ya ahoboaboa ne ahusiesie a meka sei MPP executive no any affairs no program organizers ni nyina ehye eboa ema bibia etimi ekoso
ene ewie na yene the chairman of the National Planning Committee for this particular conference Edin Komo Honorable Joe Osei Wusu he tells me say enya dia omobema kwan ama obi a wopeso operate dibre ewo MPP amanyokunum ababaye campaign wo ho but I think say on the road alongside with the pictures that we are seeing no you want to say amanfo bi aye on flags edi esisi kwan no ho na maybe so who say your party paraphernalia show say obi a campaign say you beto abama do e wo ho ana
bema meda say no kwasem ni say ufri enkran e na wo ba say unya do ayo opongrupe like one no unsa benkum so ubehu say eye party no ahyenso de ene fiti eye impeniform abesum eye party no ene na mua besi JB dankwa eduso ene na mua ne chesempenifor de bebre na omumfoni ena womo ede aya hyenso de achese ne wonya du opongo penye obi na beka che se wo chena dwumede kese ekoso ewa hanu tia kale se wuni so no enye kala foforo bia se MPP amanyikun omokale ubu kev no we ni kire eye school University of Ghana yard mu onu so a flags no efebe bia antampo kura na ene omaye impeniform abesum party no na enne ebinum ntia se wo so mo tia se so no yakomu nyina mfoni abom ena yaye billboard kakraka se ne di ko twa so fra no ene no so esi benkum sinifa no so ebedi adanse se wo china conference no conference a edi etitiriw ni nintin edi omanimu nyamba betai dwumade no echi ewo ahanum sei na me nsa ka yewra miracle
fa miracles mami
miracle aboaje ewo me ntia no say ya ye ni nkomo tia wa me se me nsa ka no me nsa ka no
fa no mami na me ni nkomo
intimate man
okay
obi na bi oboko
boko miracles na pop to say
so na say me hear you mo be channel phone
ochina edenga meba abuchi beba ho but we want to find out from you so far preparations at the same.
Oh, I mean, just a vivid description of what's going on.
But you see, and you are there. You Tiffany run no, and you timid this sapa.
BBI says the somewhere mic check and one day. But the Ministry of Ghana Sports Stadium one day. BBI says and Yami Adomechra. You shouldn't see a delegate no. If you say Sinwa, Omonam Kwanso, Omoba, Ever 89 days. Now, Yami Adom. Omina Babedu. Let us say, a channel panel, yet the conference national. So it is so far there. I think that will be on track.
All right, so you are on track. Sabre, a chief with you. Message when I remember Ghana this year, 8 years SOMPA for God and country in the way.
Oh, I think that the new patriotic party, a first year, in Ghana, the country, the Nema, a bindia by ya, it's Nema. Into about a month of Braboma, entity American idea more mine. It's a name the Saturday boy on view. Now, which me after quite the first way between Yapunya some Ghana Maya, a fine puzzle. It's now marks the beginning of our comeback to power in 2028. Now, what she had the Magana Funin and say, if I dear, if she had dear, if we are Brabo, and see Yama is here in the past 8 years. The 2 years Agana for Boji so. A yen 2 years in Magana for a cat a young cocoa sanchez. MT yes, your home be yet under boy honor 2020 years. Yes, Robert said, almost 2 minutes. MIMP American. The pie a war you it to me, I have a boy or minor. And if you are on it, the Ghanaian public should see a more formidable entity, a more united entity. MPP that is ready to take this country to the next level.
Dennis Miracle Aboaje, yeah, that's sir, Wama Hokwama, only a dinko. But the best say, one of these days, Ubeba Sumpana, you know, a dinshemu. Appointed Cheku, and then Kasaye, down your thing, or best line, one of these days, unforgotten country. You know, Abonge.
Bema.
Yo, yabadase. Why? Yamin koso enshira na nyame embo ho ban. Bibia to for mama asonte. Why?
Piao. Oh God, thank you.
Abuja for yeah report that upon checheku na wote say ye ne din kobodo. Da wama ye ne Dennis Miracle Aboaje so edin kobo. And of course, I said the aye. It means that all is set for tomorrow's program, the National Annual Delegate Conference of the New Patriotic Party. What's here a reporter? No, and I was with here at the same time. A miracle, yeah. Quick comment.
Yeah, Prof. Yeah, NPP for Nabaso, and your mom, dear go Aquema, or making sure say, or National Delegate Conference, no, ever basso. In terms of security, according to Honorable Joe Weiss, yeah, Obeka, so Omafa extra security, and then mom dear go acquainting now, tea a report and as a Maokana, not just a BBR Daquem, until China Jojo Niepe.
They are going to set up self-protection committee. That's Omwankasa security, general security.
Yeah.
And that is
almost supported national one now.
And that's a good
by the moment. And that's a very good thing.
That's a very good
by
thing.
The NPP government. Yeah.
Now, maybe say, is it that they don't trust our buying security now?
Oh, I'm not sure. Say it borders on trust.
Oh yeah, sure.
I'm not sure. Say you all kind of paper. No say, nipa na beba about stadium hot na no doors. And tell me here more security. Security is there, yeah. More hobby bra, yeah. Security there, yeah. And you know, I'm not sure it borders on trust, but
Yo.
more of protection.
Yeah,
and that's my dream.
Me that's.
Abusia
for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Me Dimafo Herbal Center. Eso ya sere kese pa na wie. Me ba cho se uyo bia uyade a bomodin pa na fa wani kire. Me Dimafo Herbal Center. Ono de waso osa yade a time eda so. Enti their friend Dr. Time eda so. Se usisi na ya oya empono enjujuye e na achew. And again, you suffer from knee pains. Me pa chobo body pa na fa we de kire. Aye me Dimafo Herbal Center. Say sichire yade junso yiya na hawo empo muja broso o kidneys o brebo mu nsem say typhoid say malaria say yade bia wako yade don koro. Me pa chobo body na fa we de kire me Dimafo Herbal Center. Obeti me 0244 774282. Again, call 0500 7272135. Now, Oshisho Michakwanya, Wamo War, a year Pokwase Maira, a hot and obohuomo, a one crying ha. Now, Kumase Ubahuomo, a Bwakwa Agogo, Biani Government School, the day, share no more. Dr. Time Dasso, or say, the Lord is our ultimate healer. And also, Hajia Special Local Foods. We baby akwa ubenya aduan papa edi. Aduane a ye a eho etikese pa. Eye Hajia Special Local Foods. Hajia Special Local Foods. Okwa se bankuni tilapia wonsa beka. Bankuni okro soup wonsa beka. Sampo eye okro stew wonsa beka. Say ye tuosafi any dawadawa miankuka. Miankuka when you toes of part when you miankuka now would the dear over shin quite brutal so as now watch it jollof rice fried rice hey could continue preparing in Adam but modern panava when it's Hajia Special Local Foods like I said what much you quite a one crying ha a war hacho atomic equino so beer ben transition funeral home that's where they are remember almost services je nasaka bio say say who fie na person mo de duane de brewa who person de we duane de bre fie now so we talking about delivery over here but they run a delivery service and be obiaro and once we fa telephone no wa frɛ 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 again 053 5484 392. But also you can call them on 059 4797 215. Hajia Special Local Foods. Ediane Papa Fiedo. Wamos on boy Chidom Kesipa. And there for God and country, you may do. Yeah, they bro. Live on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Now, my big you say, Aye 21st Clinic. Aye, sciatica expert. 21st Clinic. Sciatica expert, the sciatica originator, the sciatica pacesetters, the sciatica commandant, the sciatica researcher, the only sciatica expert in Ghana. 21st Clinic. Mama imperial mo yeah. But don't want you my ye pa. Some put one crying. Na uhiomu services. Bomoding pa nako aye Tantra Hill runabout. Se wo tema wo mo check kwan ewo bia ewo Roman Catholic asori na echiri kaswa wo mo New Market Obom Road Kumasi omo ehia overseas bebia SOMPA FM wona eho ena wo na hwe mo sunyane a wo mo regional hospital no first gate ne de din hwe ne mo na tachiman fonfa woni nkyere all GN Bank building on Kransa Beer Ben Children's Park takwa how many Roman stores ne di hwe anymore takwa de efiekuma N09 taxi station and also in Brekum Goso and Obuase we have a bit from 054 0311 311 0540 311 311 no be bisa sciatica kra denga me ba sciatica de die etimi every usisi na de wa na mo akopie aya usiremu na asa be pie aya wontum otumpo no The technical name for it is the gluteus maxima. You can say obi to your friend the gluteus maxima. Gluteus maxima. A tworo. Oh baby, I was so. Pacho say a horror. Say what is a baby? Chewa fem pa. At the about na say what? Na who say a sciatica and a chewa. Sciatica. Until sciatica expected there. Oh boy, you ye pa. But you can't catch us a number of phrases sort of. I 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. Na enyumekuo ahudo bi so eka ho a won so aso yasere na wi yere for God and country no ebrewo. Time herbal mixture. Hey, time herbal. Anu dia me de bomb ho ban o. Se me nya malaria kra na me nom. Because I don't know, it is serving as a prophylaxis. I don't know what the ball who buying. So what I say, a prophylaxis. Prophylaxis. You can't be a prophylaxis. A drobia unum a dia ball who buying. So what I say, you can't say profano. What's I say? Prophylaxis. Oh, I'm damn, my bread. Oh, what's it? Meti brofo. Alawa lie. Ay. Enti bacho bomodi na pe bisifie. Usori anopa no wabobi. Enwumre no wabobi. Ewia no wabobi. You are good to go. Malaria away. Enche mpo e no aska se wo kwakoto na wode asa yade. So what I say. Enti utimi nken de wie a bomodi pa na kotobi. Na fe si ho. Adopa wo makola ne bi manyu chese bo ho ban. Abusua ne nyina nom. Monuma ebe bom ho ban na mpo wanya malaria ni bi mpo a kona koto a time herbal mixture say we do mato a loss of appetite untimi didi won wa de kude ja make cho say prophylaxis na de bia e wo ho a de che say appetite wo ho wo betimi didi uhunam nya o ya da anti bomodin time herbal mixture na be ba come up Drost pharmacy shop bia ben obiaro fa we de chire ho ya de an sabeka 02444 17669 02444 17669. Almost yasere nde wi for God and country jumedi ye de bre ye na tiefo. Later on the show I'm going to be talking about Electroland Ghana Limited Techno Spark 40 series and endpoint homeopathic clinic. Ye kwa amanu sisi ya na yeni abema kwesi poku ye ka kwesi poku a we wani kire Tema Wester ono na oye chairman for the New Patriotic Party. Hey, kwesi poku that say. Hey, kwesi poku say won acho. When you are bracing near Mabeko, you're not dashing aheading. Dashing aheading. Now, one head dashing him.
Now, what do boy and the bones away that you already are?
Aye.
And you need to come up on this one.
Aye.
The Agombra cross
anti akompre kono ye bo MPP amanyo kuno ehwa ohun se oba bedi eye omampanyin
enkomo bi na kwabiti ere mu se nyame akwanse na ye ni papa ezo ya kola na mami fere Mr. President mami na ongo school of fere Mr. President New York ni so ngo pobi ko mo de bi anwu na fere president na no mi abi general secretary ono se say am from fere Mr. President. Yeah, I want
you to clarify that for me. Say the Oka Asante Hini Asabno. Maybe related to the MPP. Ya wo MPP ne who say that you aya honorable Kennedy or Hene Akomprekwe Japan eba be ya o mampanyin on the ticket of the party.
Na Oji Shebredi. Oji Shebre Destiny Oji.
Oh, Shebre.
That's why we have NDP now. We mean you know what I say NDP chairman ko to chairman. NDP Ghana ko to konse. And you see the righteous man shall live by faith. And our faith comes by saying the truth from your mouth. What do you say? The Agoba go there.
And then I'm social media no so na because who say Ken I issue message at the amount delegates are more eba. Na obi comment or chiro e was here that say na as a Kenny baby ho ana ba ko so chiro say as a Kenny ya hwehwe nim dodo.
Ne ni na ni bi
Yes
the message na ana dey otiwa example e ba na jumo kan dia bi hu hwehwe nim go ya ba kere di Japan si omo nam kwanso be nyina omo kwanso brebre kwanso jojo nyasa
yeah
yeah na say me aba ne aba say ya jum say form front you so the for the really na no me ya go do opposition dia form for aba de ko to u ba na ya suru ni na aje ze mi ya form ni na ni bu ko to abeti aye no en wa ba na ho aje chere ya ko chere chere omo ze nka ye we ya wetin
a form 4
ai
sabre omo na mu hu hia pa ho
and people delegates conference I have a call. That's what me see. Oh, my dear, me here, come here, Abani Akotoro. Tell me who is following.
Was it who Jabotra? What's it? Abana Wamuka Akotoro. It is between Omwa men, ni Omwa a com ediomo.
Tell me one person who is following the so-called leading candidate. Where your appointment, and I want to see you. And I want you to be, and I want you to mention the person's name, the body of the body of the
what's what was out of some bit of Minas and Bizano?
There is there. It is a fact. Look at the removal of Kennedy. Never was able with the hobby. Chairman for police for and they get it for any actually. Street president, street leadership. About the street, nearly a topic. And these are MB before they see 2 million vote now answer wrong way. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. And these are MB before 4 million there. Ever street they don't cost also not be behind the
and you know, Ochirano reforms been a model more say a delegate a conference na no a boygu.
The reality is that I have a Kennedy, I compare a say. Already I have to be slow. You have to be video. You have to be IADO. You have to be IMATIO. One or be a form of Tokon. Or the Tokana is a form of Sromu and Agoraka. One top of Miku. Yama movies a baby ama a form for your Mongolia. So for him, he never we don't want to speak. Maybe I don't be Kennedy will be the next candidate elect for everything.
Really?
Yes.
And then Nadana Omo Edadamo.
And I want Dadano.
Fear delegates.
Oh, media press. I don't know if I'm out here.
Me what say?
With the whole government machinery, I'm not getting at 39%. 39 will be on 2 years, we have 2 years. They go pay us also.
39%, you know. Obia or 2 MPP, and now 41.75%.
You know, delegate as I'm making.
I know not make no.
Everybody who voted can do vote again.
Okay, that's
fine. We stood and spoke truth to power. And then, power from above, who is above Bondiam?
Above, above, no, the national chairman of the party.
And the national chairman of the party, no,
oh, I said 17.
And as the Jama, Chairman Bute, I don't know, acting, I don't know, to create the party, no, okay. It's already gives us a level playing field. General Secretary is a level playing field. And Yanama is Rosa, Yangoya, Obi, Adi Officer, Odido, Baby. And the other year, to be a video, to be a Canadian.
Oh, sir.
I saw the I don't know if you go to the church or we don't go to a probably have any more magic. We will see you to because oh, I'm going to tell you, so I want to have and they the Jabo, the one you feel the auto, you need as one to you. the reflection of this election will be a true state of the mind of the people of the MPP delegates. I know the and I do every month for and I do so that I know minister.
Na this is no na mu campaign no at the saying.
You never that I am for any bomb for any bomb for any come home. You know, you do. I'm an area Kennedy in your party. You catch me. Every day, and I found one talk and walk on and tell you about time. It's the middle way, yeah, for a 7 you know. I don't know. Catch me in Toko. If you have a big and talk about the Biamu positive. If you have a big idea, I could go to a temporary entity at them. And I'm going to Hanukkah. I don't know. Kennedy, and that's why story we have a Kennedy. Kennedy wants to fight, depending on the just that the man, the way I operated was not good. I don't want to go in the hour, like 18 million. And let's reward hard work. Let's reward loyalty. Let's reward you. Now I call Abelmanov. Go with you.
How comes in the Nana?
Somebody here, the first person. Our background, or 2000 is a background for Kennedy. Every do not never room or the other.
Was it
no first chief of vocals and go as a council. You can't treat my people like this. As a council, yes. As if you have men on the ground, withdraw them. You will be the kind. You will be the kind. I don't call President School. Now, about the radio, so I run it. We are on grounds. We deal with them. We take care of them. Social media. On your mom. As a Sabamu baby.
Wait. Now, delegates, Bano, say no. Say, Ebimu etie yenga. Assemble na oribe jam.
Emika choma is a baby can get them Papa Kennedy. I go for Kona. Ya bompa. Say obi aba bedu asubiem. Any number one. Number two, obi aba ya sun two form. Yan delegate for yan. Yan delegate. I'm ready to say, see, you go social media, and go page man. You delegate, and lay here, chobo, buy a certificate, the copy. You know, the credit, Yama, you have a credit, I compress with the phone. You know, power, we are generally enough, so there are other people who make, sir, we are party, Juma, and make them. I don't tell you about the case, so. Oh, that is everything.
Yeah, me who know.
The true patriot. That national air boycott because of the party, no. So people like this need to be rewarded. That Kennedy has suffered more than that. Although physical, but psychologically and spiritually has suffered this. The Mika delegate is strong. Is that a queen? I am delegate. The party completely from Kayen. Yes, we have got Kennedy. The Mary only yes, only a man here. Only how American say onya akwanya obakai.
Was it yan just a Kennedy akompreko ohene Japan a mo annual delegate conference ya ba be kosui wama party no 4 million Ghana cedis asem we no kwewum
asem we kali be ka asem be ka so yende ya mas kani aka asem ya sorry we ba ti be for so muka uko ka be ka so ye papa no account ye man contract nya MPP contract nya dey in contract man omo ba ka no wo yin omo ka no omo wo yin. As we speak now, we still need some few balances and balance again. And by the ball of them that contract in Hawaii, and the Kennedy, he knows how to do it. He knows when to do it. These are the people, the true party person who knows what it is. Because of 4 million dollars is maybe just 40 billion and another.
It's kind of 40 billion.
P4, yes,
Aye.
Any branch I say, oh, Papa, no, come. I mean, what you do, come on, you're coming guy. Huh? Okay, and the point is matters. He has always been there for the party. And the air can say, wait, no one has no party people say, well, I'm not still Arayada.
Yeah.
And this one, I will never say, oh, Papa, no, come. And you sorry, what is the job I'm going? I can clear party for the in January. Let's go out there and vote for one of our own. Grassroots for any certificate.
All right. Kwesi, Mr. No, but ya Chairman Bute wa man so amene de bedin komo. Ma mene ni wie, why?
Chairman Bute.
Ai, ma mene ni wie.
Aha. I'm this number to a month peno.
We now have the acting national chairman of the New Patriotic Party online. Originally, he was, or he is still the first national deputy chairman of the New Patriotic Party, but he's now the acting national chairman for the party. Chairman Bute, for God and country, Edasi. Na mpacho apom ti saying. Ya feel sa ya to catch.
Na say me yare kakra.
Oh sa. Ube acting chairman in our yare pressure wom anameboa.
Sunday ya bra ni imi free hospital.
Me pacho say.
Sunday ya ni imi free hospital.
We want to wish you well, speedy recovery. But let me say, the new tax on you, very, very enormous and very, very challenging. But yes, very, very challenging because I've been monitoring you from afar. Monitoring, maybe now, Chairman, so far, what can you tell us about the conference here? Baso Nyamia Duma Ochinai.
Oh, conference in there, I should say, be than a cream into Ochinai Baso.
Ochinai Baso.
Yeah.
SOMPA FM.
Challenge Bia Niho because we had read in the media that somebody has issued a writ of summons, and I want to find out. So, writ of summons to injunct the conference, and the leadership of the party, the Monsakara.
Oh, me Minsanka be a Matiba, Minsanka, me who be so.
Who be?
Me who be a friend, me catch me because me am a call what's up at check.
Auntie,
catch me, but Bibias are married. Then, the last second is so friends, Minsanka Bibiasa.
Sir. Okay, my memory so far, no. Benim say delegates ni bia ba ebi so nam kwan so eba benim say dodo na enawei wo mutie for God and country I was SOMPA 106.5 FM na message ben na odi be jaw mo.
Oh, the way amendment ni ebe yentino conference we nyen for kwa mo bia ma ya de kaskasa beba bia an kana come to yam na party in your building a quiz, send away between about power to the next will be as a Mobia, no be uncle to what in a for. Yes, we are Mommy phone to your cheek. Now, what's a conference no union and your face. Then you club away. My mom for her so yes, so a day over there. I don't meet me. I'm sure when you are so mobile. One pie saying, I'm going to go with you.
So I'm putting my nasi. Sir, Wama Hukama Edin Komo. Na menim say conference no ko wie a eden chairman sabra wuti wapaka mu a wo den hu ide aje bia wo de wani munyam eba be pie mu e wo fie ha ye no ebedi nkomo why
sabe pepe
we want to wish you well tomorrow.
Thank you.
Chairman Bute na to say ye no edi nkomo no shortly but the Nana Jana, Nana Minyo Deni, Nana Jana, Nana Minyo, because Nana can send me a media who say a wacky perfect, wacky bruta. A chief for Sabra Bedoka say, Nana Jana Atanase, would we reach a yes Sunyani Dumesia, or no yanko Swahini Ewoho, Nana Ayebiafo Jana, Baba can't our ha. Ba mesre se yebeto mo enkra na yeto nkra na ye ba ye ne nana ebedi enkomo na wi live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM ti ye basisi ya
Techi manufui Electroland abeja ni ade munna ni amapani nyina nso abo we Thursday ya 10th April 2025 Raya showroom foforo na wo Kumasi Techi mankwane so
ye ni Roma sorry dino anase backsword ne die animhwe
Property wo Samsung TCL Media Nasco TV AC Fridge Gas rice cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more papa can win now. Now winning baby, it can for baku 50, ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie, it brother tadie, can who now say now.
Kweku, minim sawa she. Me kraman nane. Now so ebony show one embasso.
Malehon sepeno. Ebony condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate.
It only the view is a condom. The condom mulia then it's not on, but double support as a condom.
Emra, me pacho brana me sha de wo bagi.
Bra, aden, enan so biem.
Hey, time heba me sha ya me ka se yi ba kwin. Ani wo yi me ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me sha esia jimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofani nyina.
Time heba me sha me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ene de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enunku o, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akwada no fo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wako hospital anase lab ameye hu se wo atudie malaria yi bi ansa. Se upetam heba mixture enu dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba ko so wo atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi ubenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop dodo na em.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo, set time no TIME. Time heba mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu be tuako.
FDA aji ejodi nkratu yi atum.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye nti abaso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Market to your pa. That's what you're listening to now. Ebraso say yene nana AYEBIAFO JNANA. So do we need a yesunyan dumesuya or in koso hene ewo ho. De biara dana mi ni mushia na mi kana na ho asem e de kirewa. Nana ebon ho modern pa. So when it comes to issues bordering on development, we do any chere eyesunyan ho no dumesu ahwa se de nana ye kuro no. Every day we talk about leadership. And right now many former NPP MP for Asante Achim North. Your friend is a crap. Yes, and the IP Akobi. And then he told me something on the show. Ose Abuchi. Adie bia ye no memu. Se adie ni be ye a ejina leadership. To say the bia nana e ka kire me e wa ha. Leadership. Because he tells me say no wa bra no MP e wa Asante Achim North for no no. Na nya ade agalamse koso within his area of jurisdiction. But nano ada omotu aba omotu ni free horo. Sa bri no galamse no e koso gidi. Nana, so is that supposed to be say me ma kwaba?
Prof, me also. Number call there.
Adumarakwa, ye hu ye pa. Last week it be here.
Last week na me program kitu bi na me.
Aha.
The time you know and I'm say coincide with the time I the back.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
You know ham cement me my bet. We had not much to say. Now say ye de shende.
Yeah. But Bibia also come there.
Nyamiadum.
Now I was just talking about leadership, but before that, Grado, mo Sunyan Dumesia, mo afashe no. I want to hear ni who akadia no mo pim ko mo ni mana.
Good. Yeah, Duma first. Duma first. Yeah.
Duma first. Okay, that's fine.
Duma Sia Festival and Street Carnival. Nti Nyame Adoma 2nd, 3rd and 4th of January 2026 in Ebeno. But during the program like that, an organization no shall say them. And the shall say to normal fine. Nti I have said the latest Cocoa out for sponsorship. Because a very big program I per se. Ya boa na amount for be products amount for nim no. Yentimi showcase mom. Because nipa ye dey omo ba one sport, you know, so much until you'll be a business person. Easy. Like I was saying last time, there and you know, they were sent. I am among for space or more. They pay something like to get to sell their own product. The now a beams of motons and alcoholic beverage be no muchum. The you would do junction who the way as a crew. Now what is happening here? And I'm on for catch them, so Samsung resort is going on. The amount of crowd you tend to hold more time on. No, so near episode budget tend to be. By the beginning, I can't know who I are. So what they did is they paid for whatever little thing they're supposed to pay. And no mujina kwano. Na amount for can't and sign out more torn that day, no, all the way to the following morning, no. Because we be now no they public as well. We see kwano ho pa. No wajibi. So they made so much that day. So this time around, you person very formalized. Say obi bia na obi bia oboso just imagine say e bia otons you na ye invest 50,000 and e bedu meso ya na ye say when was sponsor nti ensu a ye beton nyina ye wo nsu nko a you can just imagine program here 3 days program
running for 3 days
3 days Friday Saturday Sunday
okay
and we are expecting something more than 50,000 people nti bia wo no you bia otons you na say wona was sponsor nti e mansu obi a metonzu o Tibia will be say tables be 10 around that you can just imagine how much money you make within those 3 days. And maybe I make a soft drink be the Bamna Moton Cook, Moton Fanta. Now I'm over sponsor here. They acquire agreements okay. Within the 3 days, and the Yamobia Baton any beverage be out. I am a company Virgin Granny Baton. So that can tell you. The Guswa to letter the cost sponsors why. Kai Omuni so. And maybe be a pen fast.
All right.
Hey, the macro no tumpong na macro no because the no. We want people to see. To be honest with you, no. Obi bisa me say Nana, what at all are you looking for?
Obi say then our here. Yes, Obi come say let the be of friend of offer. I say na for be Spain. And Obi say now offer no oni abusiafo ana. No say adan abusiafo. Den ti na Obi say I say na abusiafo nyina obi aye wi ana. No say na dem asembe na abaso kan no na sika papa we to go from way so the real estate they go visit them akoma converse handle we no more. See, people always think say we a leader now we bibia you should be getting something from it. That is a mistake. One of the main reasons why in here you Ghana no intimi 2 pound no I say we a leader nko ade a ade bia na wo ye no you should be expecting say we na be nya free. But to me no me hu ni say Shade me called me say time na you see a police station near the background so no ye work say na omo hon be 6 bi die han dan me nu ho I think that han na be 90 cedis a month 90 or 80 me fee how much your hand for the whole year. See, I mean, no, because you could do Mr. Copper than your hand. They never for quite 300 cities. Wow. Less than a year. All because of the development. Yes. Land na ya ton krum ho me call first be a 10,000 and me top. Be a 15,000. Say land obenye no dumesu ya nebu for quite 50,000 cities. Wow. All because of the
That
development.
should tell you, say, development and Kasano Eden Koso, a bratima for. And into leadership, no, any person say, there are many things that we can bring on board. Yeah, many things, but do my first any idea every year be no a berane. Until I know didn't come muba. And I'm man for mu krumosono. And I'm saying, do I want more shops no motonton no mano. Ni peba krumu no almost be bibi kakra at the school fees ni all that. And I feel so no. Ebema krunaji ding. The more a man for eba krunum na edim puntu na ede eba krunum. And one thing they say, a nije say nipa wumuana unya time now sakakra now sedekakra. About good health.
Oh, sir.
Or make I say, I think that 2023 or so. And your code dumasia, your coco year, higher coronation in year, no.
Yeah.
So I felt say, want to for not doors until you mean ho into me as okay. Had the live band before chromophone, at least not where there's a dumisa phone. Now a year live band a whole night. And Prof. And I don't know, Obi who will be over 70 years, will be over 80 years. There are many people or more better say, according to Omo Dumas and say, Omo young Crawford be a bear 780 could be a more chromo because of them. And these old people, they sat down all throughout the night and up at 3 a.m. I ever pono and almost sorry. And looking at their faces and how they were happy. So the whole point, and they said, you see, we a leader, you should be able to understand how to manage people. So do my first thing, one of the things that yeah, kind administration home, I will do my kunuma, yeah, boy. I'm a kuna baby didn't say, Obi for us, Obi for which and a city. I'm on for bad ever. And to do my first and it's coming on, like I'm saying, no, you're sponsors. The first one, the second one, you're able to music any day. But Nipana Ebano, a dos. So, in your sponsors, I think they're about me to me managing a year. I perceive so many great artists at the core. Well, last year the Kimpaluta Koi, Kojenju Koi, Nasi Koi. Oh yeah, Kojenju was there last year at 2025 year. 2025 year. Kojenju was there. Kimpaluta was there. Nasi was there. Grisashi was there. DSP Kofi Sapon was there, and many other well-known musicians. This time around, I say from paying facts for say about say Omo. Chat, I know you know what saying. More generated why dance or for be and hip life for be say like Friday, Saturday, Sunday in say you use some major artists be until all the 3 days no be major event and conquer that from. So we make an arrangement to organize all this until we need sponsors to come over to assist us because the program here fine. And we are sponsors on our baswa. Yes, all do sikaba no boka. Oh, be benyam for so buburuja. Because 3 days in and we are expecting 50,000 like that. People to be there. The more especially more ton drinks and and I feel any soon in say if they come around that ebe bo mo pay. Moreover, no say that time no. You did bring we first, second, third, and 4th January.
Yeah.
The did bring we no be abre. But this time around, the nipa de bakuru no no. Oh, momentum we be now stores could be they might not be selling things for you, but we the crowd in there back. So bring your things, come and give to them and say unto me go by bit about onumsu.
Yeah.
About numsu be better be and some be no share no be square more to be. So a man for mo normal like this, you know, they should come and if you say you be digger.
No, but so we so assess more getting to you. So there be no subeba ababe ye adverta. Number bank pa another sponsor but number bank pa na say any pardon free.
In fact, meet me the number what to just in case it be per se or friend now or information then so be because oba you know better chance I can. Say be a program say na e no nti be say na be supporting e be mo say nti number obit man friend is 0541 915 450
0541 915 450.
Denia George. Tell us be a do my first and no person who have sponsorship here. Obama details and later officially about letter any all the things that we only do in the ability me out amount. Trust me, it's going to be a very great opportunity. Very great one.
Okay. So Nana ma kwa ba bi da says ni nche musu a wo dia man na edika anka say the success of every community, every nation depends on leadership. Na papa and the apia could be no many didn't come on. He said same thing. Now do you think say this fight against Galamsey, you bet me winning as a country?
Yeah, you see, Adebiane possible. My master said something. I said the word impossible is 2 words. I am possible. Until there's nothing like impossibility. So, idea you bit me, but you say wouldn't mean in fact square peg and go share round holes. So unya square peg, na square hole. I'll be to me.
What you fix?
So yes, it's difficult fixing a square peg into a round hole. But when you run peg, I'll be in your room. So yes, Galamsey is only a very delicate situation. Very serious here. But be a month when you're free. As you can quite a free money crack kind of thing. What the answer when you are not good, you are not called brought the channel, but you know, could be back. And yet, very easy for anybody to stop it. The only option I want to say, over try nowadays if the pacify say, Grofovia, no, the Omoyano, intimate from them. Is there anything a bit to me extension of that? So that we will not force them to stop what they are doing by a bank encourage you on bayan in a way a bit to me streamlining. Until it will be a Galamsey or baby a baby on best stop point baby a wound zoom if you say no say again. And because I'm on phone regulating now or move zoom good because me krasa. Galamsey has been in Ghana for many years before then say yenzu. Allocation of fire near court including krasa kokoye evangelism those days. Timi Ghana kura minim se nekoketwa.
Wow.
Kuro bie no Ghana ha eya major town a mingura muda. Ye chinchin sa okọ Galamsey site a omo kwa adwuma ba bo se omo hu nyina ntwoma ko ba ensensu China fo ya nkrofo omo nim ketenkete ba ya pe no mkofa sa chamfan yi ba ya omo ni be sinsu mu a so omo de che se nsuo na nkasa no bodu wom ya na ye didi wa outside to omo de sinsu no mu a na afuntam nsuo na fra na. So the point is say we can do Galamsey na say illegal, but still we can so manage it without we spoiling our water, destroying the forest. No, but by no must sit down and find a better strategy. Now so say what fan crowd for the moku good say so you 4 and 2 any or that. No. Because the thing is so you na offer no go di one man the cry na obe free. They will continue. They are binding trans and on streamline the whole thing properly. Possible say omo betimi aye ba omo ye na omo nye liberal with it engeze bia o say MPP na woso a ye say ye community mind obo heda ye de nyina ko hye ye mpanyimfo nkwansa say chairperson nkwan na manage and is about years omo so ba ye ba na omo de omo mpanyim e ba sa it is not going to work out. They be American say okọ say bi akwatia area there are so many sites among for year adwuma ho aban no mo form association papa nye de enya adwuma de ye adwuma ye make sure you were tenants when you follow. The owner will leader now, you are the owner of this site. Say Chinabino, be a costume, it is who we will arrest. What do I say? And they are buying gold board and Abon. I think they are very good. Sure. To gold board, never to gold in every crop, to gold in any home found Chenko, Sika Emma or Manum. Ntino, what streamline Galamsey for no? Now who say, site be you will be or down, Adibian Cosu or how one your best wow. Okay, until one know what down one on my man for misbehave. Okay, until we understand gradually no bet me a streamline about level. I bet me a yes, I was able to stop wouldn't me and stop. I'm telling you, say, Okwa America. Yeah. Or Mokra no music system was the pan. Drug cartels or more Mexico or more than a ban. Or to me and two Mexico completely. Yes, to your building your politics only say all these areas are buying a crown what is they find ways and means of money cartels on a meeting. Etnase said about meeting me streamline operations are at this area no cartel when year juma ha for member cross on them fan because they can decide say on base kwa bonja ko konto kwa ko kunkum krofo e ba sa government no wona ye say wani munyam and until they find ways and means of no tenase kan so Galamsey no e ade a abegi hin we ne dan people will still do it so the government might find ways and means of me streamline gold no ye India Ghana ha ye there yeah and the young benefiting free home. Okay, Anglo gold no ne sa mo din ni mont no nyina am for there gold ni almost swearing ya de ko so the whole point they say krom for so bibia di So is there anything the government that obetimi aya ebema obi ansa akona no but na omo fam na kwan so na de aya na yes it's possible but the government must sit down now under a plan for that. You don't push them out. You don't go and chase them out. Oh yes. Untimi chase you out. Sir. They will still come back. They will come back. All that you have to do is say obe make sure say ne no. Na dem rat ho. You make sure they comply. Untimi attack individuals. Name painful on da no. Omo and a omo duty say they must see to it say people are doing the right thing. They must be on our concession, maybe a better 20 concession area. Now and a month for year you madam. The government knows say bibi anko ye with no jurisdiction where wo and a bit more one share. Trust me gradually no abani bit to me the omunina to be about boama man akoye because the end there to be honest with you and yet one nana way ensure the way any musity and because me I'm a natural lover, somebody who loves nature. Yeah. The air and the consequences and the repercussions of a bad. So mercury, any cyanide, say uras asimua, a bet take 150 years. And then from that say even near to a minoka we are so young you cyanide be a bill, you so mercury be a bill more. A bet take 100 to 150 years as an assassin. Yes. Say a consumer, but be and sooner than a coin and it goes there. And when you know cancer, ne kidney issue, ne liver issues are and never bragana for no. Yango pon kwanim. So a idea emboying, even though you just can be the film there, but emboying because say ye nimra papa be ada ye to normal. And into a banner dear bet to me, AYEBIAFO galamse hua. And yenny go on to me enguno. The obet my and say obet me streamlining. Wow. No the marato to home. No man for monitor. So you have no more to no. Sabane dem rato ho. No more the answer ye man. Say those of you are more man will be and free chain and could be bonny be a better since say ya call medium ya cofa a man for more excavate any association. If you are grand number corner, if you are good no man said the court. No man or declare on the funding in our corner. Say go the or obeko we are. To the whole point and say government in the money in the minute. To be honest with you say MPP follow zo muruzu nyana galamse ka hobi nda abana obase see o mana ni amere amfane prudent ways or best of galamse minister no no na monsa na okeka kan say trust me say 4 years time you know they will see what they will go through because a lot of people are omono hono munye omadu ani free enye say gold ni tuo no enka illegal yes say the way crime force omoye no na enye nti abana should just make sure say on benya prudent means be a man who betimi ayesa adwuma no e wa bre enti aban na mra na omon konko say nsu ene ye forest no after all the foreigners no they are just enjoying our gold and our natural resources e wa bre ya yetikuru no man ka say obo ase ko he o man mine go for since when ko he kuru no akwan na dan be sisi kuru and the party titi kuru no okay enti aban na de betimi AYEBIAFO galamse no ho again say ogu galamse ontimi ngu no ontimi Nemo obetimi extreme like I was telling you about Okada Juma last na meka masem no. Abaji hini okuro no. Wo say me gu Okada, untimi ngu no. Nemo obetimi extreme line. This is simple. Simple. Me call do meso ya hu. Yeah. Na I for no wade ba ko no mo complain ke se pa. Nti o meso na mrante bebribe omo ye drugs. There were so many base that be omo no num say omo wi ni bi. According to man papa best 5 no maso rekọ omoko a obi bia na afuo area ho na bia wo bancha na bode no omoko tutu amanfo bayire na awia na omo bo ampisi ye di wo ho na omo fufuo nyina di wo e wo base wo nti ahemfo ne na ade we anti o mana police for efirisunwa ya badumasu ya ho nti omo ba ho na omoko ne na mu a na makọ chichi nkrofo ne aba omoka bia 200 Ghana whatever no magis Ghana omoko because omoko police station e ja omoba. So I have found that they were very disturbed. Said, "Nana, what do you think? Say, obetimi ayafa galamse no. I mean, yes, I had drugs no. And I'm not to be so handsome. The be our every day we be about the other or him sir. Oh, yes. Until no, I had him for no, especially me no. Now Nana, let's see what we can do. I don't know whether they were expecting say be a me was a mystical way to be a me never solve problem but I felt say these are practical things. And there are practical methods that me afar at the solve. So what I did, and they say, you shall say you better a club, a Dumasian Koso fan club. Next will be a register. So you have now you have more than 350 members already. People among them register amafo be register nti ye be ya adwuma ye pe omo ye mason for ye pe carpenter for ye pe electricians or ye pe steel benders any omo ye sa adwuma na and we have about 70% nyina ye nkofo a omo kokoko base all the time and omo no sound all the time but the things adwuma na ye no ye from Monday all the way to Saturday at times ye from Saturday all the way to Sunday.
And every time they are engaged.
They be a juma. Did they and say anopano? Ebobe na na lady the secretary or banu abetru be edin. Obi bia wa ba or ye juma ya true be edin. The true be edin we ebobe say 11 to 12 na wa back abey roll call. I say obi a true dey no ho. Because the band also at times be at 200 on the street. You could have say 400 300. Nti one way you be wa betru ni din ba obekọ. And you know about this guy. Until or better first one or second one, not only why you found the anchor home. Until your point, you may be about 4 to 5. Now, upon better 5, what we do is say, Obia called the museum cost office or do quite would do. Now, the end is into your full pay. They say, oh, major money, until Mason for your mom will say, be out 200 about 10. You have 100 cities. Oh, your Libra, be amount, okay, 150, you have 75 Ghana cities.
All right.
Yes, until. A drug me best 5 no munyi na call office obeka no must secure ten to obenya usika na obedru fie no e bi na obese 6 and 7 you are tired ade a cheso a be 7 years an adwuma se bio and ntu you bi kwa na woko base a e be ya den so obi tuma ka say me ko base wa kotena ho because you know say woko adwuma ntem one pontem o china be sen akọ to aso a be say a whole month and into no if you better baby no omo base in wafu amafo nko nobody's going there omo no msani nyina no you don't see them walking around shaking as if somebody wow because you are fully engaged and we are telling them say we na here no yakura adwuma na here at the end of the day na wo na be benefit you so you should bring in your strength or energy or support kakra na ya dem omo no they were very happy said they were receiving that. And many of them, you know, they stopped the smoking and the drinking.
Really?
I'm telling you, I am for no. Actually, almost so when I'm on whom I say yes, because they are fully engaged. Nipana engaged that. Same man is a bioanka a day or cotton base. What the base now? Sebi, we go on now, you for man a bunch of senior year. So, when we now compensate the best. And until no Abia making way engaging, the become making one day open once be. As compared to before now, it means that there's been some improvement. See, about 2, 3, 4 months time, now you don't see people like but about 90% in India they were integrated into the system. Until the attorney say if you want to solve problem, you have to find prudent ways of solving it. You're quite as you man put a baha. No more basic how you could chase your more. Who chase your more now or chambaka? You don't solve problem like that. Obe find prudent ways of solving problems. Say there be any panankasa na ono ya de enye no. Obe hu say say man to ma kwan ya me na me ha me ho. Ba kwa na say we ko gini panano de na free nsem e wa bra won provide any alternative. We don't treat problems like that. Anything galam say no aban ne betimi ayeden asia no. Ba no sie ne nge say onkogu no no gaso bi enye adwuma no enye adwuma it will not work. Opa magana asoja fo nyina ngogu ba bi e galam say. So now you will be able to curtail for some time. They will go back to it again. Find prudent ways of doing it. Okada for maka several times say omo no ye okuro na enye. O drive or driving mirror e betimi aburu na omoko. O betimi ahwimo phone no mo de ko. E ya de omo ye driving mirror. O driving mirror. And omo ankasa kra no accident omunya ene omo na ye twitwa ne order to enya sam ketwa. But the attorney say the government must understand. Say I don't abeji hine do point be a. Say obi enyai okada adwuma ya. When say enkofo bebre ho moto ne kwa na omokoto omkoje busa na kokoto ye. No correct. Because say o de ye adwuma be nyam sika. Say on stop no obe ne watuaka. The obe find ways that means that or the be ye adwuma wa ban no hu. So why don't you integrate them into the system? Na omuntua even task kra. The abasa na say the omo drive anyhow no. On better so. Okotogo heya ya. not traffic light so red. It is just beautiful. Omo traffic light no omo de o maka and the motorbike 12 from say.
Hey.
And get that. To both motorbikes and be 200. Now package as the car not to us.
Wow.
So red light will be a virgin. So green no they don't rush. Okotogo you see how omo ride the motorbike. Omo go cause speed. Because a banner making sure that problem me can be a double corner kwan so nye na e bo poto to.
And I say Edra me ko krum go ya de na time me ATM. Na me so pese me bank. And I'm go for Okada. Me no me ho.
Say you be show.
Na me yam shebe sa. Akwa me say masa you won't kill me. Because no I don't go kill you. Let's go.
Yes.
Time
see. But make ken and amrada ho a. Emra no aban no ontimi emeye say me na meye bibia about nti no associations now be created. Ghana han ye wo 275 and as I go 76
276 and district
275 okay 275 constituencies no nti o pa obetimi a form 275 association for the motor riders. All that you have to do is say, Obibiana that jurisdiction, no, you must sign up to become a member of that association. No? And they could even have different kind of attire. Working gear, a very different from other clubs and other groups. You know? Then, develop a special number apart from the number plate. You know? Every rider be no special number. You bet him the iron boss or the motorbike and everything. Bibi no will be because reflected. From far away we betime hu number no na ya make sure say emra eye adwuma obia before say nipa ne be join the AS association or the Ghana card eno achi no say the riding license no
sure
ya man working ni working gear or be shede akwa adwuma no ye be make sure say the motor or ne helmet e wo ho eno nkra akoda nchi a de omo hye omo kotodwe ne omo abatwe ne ayi ne nyina bi ka ho okay e ba na sa na government na will streamline no ma. The angle for now more riding I say more rather buying a BBM free mono. Now no they can even pay tax. Okay, and they want to be every month to be and will be able to even 5 Ghana for government now. Calculate motorbikes a more Ghana crew. Every month no be able to have 5 Ghana as a tax to your man buyer.
It's coming free.
And yes, I get what now was saying streamline or more say do traffic light more no Ojina police station to no. Now they will all stop. The way or more ride anyhow no they will stop. Uncle who say obi air ride wa bra nipa no ensure helmet. When you know they are buying it very easily, but unfortunately, no, it seems we don't seem to pay attention much to some of these things. This is another papa na also on okasa about leadership. No?
Yeah,
Ghana your problems in no leadership. Until you to me try say you better to know me here. You better to me as some of mine no matter to me ako fine, but it's very unfortunate say the way I know my konai and shut down koye, but say and you're too late. Something can be done, and I'm sure say you to you know me here. Bibi abetimi ayi ama Ghana
no enkosi da ben ana obi be say o because enkosi da ben
see bia no say ya ka ho asebe nti I hope say aban payimfo no they are listening to us omutie o at times no say undi omatama obaka say omonte dia oka no upa di omatam se see obo se ochino obi be see see here so it means say all that we are talking we are saying
I say you go can asem bi da asem ko fa Brian Champon. You have nobody let about this and as
say, would you matter on Betty? Until the Yakan they hear. Until there was some papa be a yanka, they will definitely listen. And they see and they are going to Ghana. No, yeah, election year 2024. I just say, and Fahono will dom do the of Mudiwachi. Say Ghana focus say, or move for no more or more panishowa.
Or my panisho.
Ube Luzu, I'm a wankasa. Hey, politician, I dare politician be a true and it's Ube Luzu election. Who did not tell on Fahon? Opa Kasa or Crom for and found a dear politician be a true Ube Luzu election. Indeed, say you didn't come over say, why didn't say be a neat effect? The effect not so far. I'm sure I say, I'm paying for BT. Galamsey, any Okada. Sanoman be new, I ban we end to me a manager. 2028 about 12. A month for a back cassette or based on these two things. Because more opposition, more can once maybe because 2020 election come here, Okada. They said they want to do something, but now they have the power. They should be able to do something about Okada. Okotogo, obey me for motorbike. You won't be afraid. The same motorbike your royal museum no be no museum because the riders no o ma dwen nim say me mistake a maso be ye I have to do the right thing until say Ghana ye race system be ye adwuma until say ye nsuwa no river transportation be ye adwuma no okada will still be important ya kwan na nye until wo ko ba bi na why late na say we drew ho be say 15 minutes now what take na hwe na e be take be say 1 hour. That's when you see say okada even do
motivate me ma be fa okada nra no
na we
o story na aka chem so
because for okada no that's it
so that afra me grab me do ma fo because na me suru
one hwe ya obey late the koda akoye no you might go there get there na one hwe ade akohwe no until say ya akwan ye be ne double triple lane no mamu ya kama this ko Dubai I don't think say anybody will even have the audacity say me the motor ko si abonte me ko fa nipa no
sir
oba na waye your motorbikes ho ni nyina mo de delivery na wo mo dress en nko an kwa efe keke
wow
yes delivery aduane de bebre edura na jo a omo bag na esi ni nyina so light omo hye sa omo helmet no ma hye omo kutodwe car odika no mu say ya nanka Ghana ha be e fama ndam no fama ndam odiaka traffic ne so ana traffic go mu a obedika na chi ohun say wa fama ndam no emra ya juma kwan na good cars many
na Ghana ha pa de okara de minimum mra ko e be ba
me say wontimi entu ase so be so otu ase
ya nana say entimi entu ase o ba ka say e mra echichiro mu so mbedi lane pepepe
no mbedi
hey nana Ghana ha
say de me cho ne say we ni mina ho Ghana for ya na ekwa aburuchire a ye nkonye sem hu no ho no ye na ekwa aburuchire a ye nkodidi ento roba mfa nto abonten because say aban no de mra to say aha no say wo trash anyhow waso be ye hye no was provided that this is group until what the mra bi to ha you make sure say o man crofo enya ni easy say o mbedi mra ne so nti aban betumi aye a regulate okada no wuntimi ntwom nti ya beto aba na bi ya na wunti okada na de enye em say mo kroya mo kasa ngi okada mo furu bi mo bi kura na mo tomato bi amode ya adwuma so why do you think say I mean because of politics nti ba bi aba be duru no wo ye dan ya
nya de betumi atwam
si ye betumi atwam a e mean say yakwan ni nyina ya ne gam enu achi ye rain system no e ya adwuma ebi ka me kan e o metro oko Dubai ha no abon say o wura asase na say trains anam ho we wura mu abese 100 meters no asase na say nyina ye kuro train nam ho ye san o basa your bus lane nti wo ko ba bi na office bi a why late of bus a e kontem sin say wo ko for public transport kura o fu one car private car o my arrangement ni nyina so how dare you say also for motor akosa woni say wo ko bi atena so you can't do that by your situation nye nti no bibisa na ekoso even though that's not the best thing to do but our bino should bring in some strategies a bit me aboa na akate down a problem you go through because motor for ndo na so eya kromfo oye ya pena na ofa ho na wade ofo no de ko because emra bia ensure that all pretty properly nti madam fise galam say ene okada ni nyina ya ade a big problem in Ghana but aban betimi asia no ontimi entwam now ebia maybe 50 years from now Ghana I bet Dubai no na so bibisa na enya adwuma ba say e pa de enya possible ntimi
I understand say she be na mkwemu a eba say de be ya ye don beko Rwanda na ya mo mo ntiti minim so what
o mo ne wan ko Rwanda no
okada for
okada for you also beko Rwanda and no wan e be ma sa adwen no that be now playing fair kwa saying ba ko bi atena play mu a play saying I know the matter we dey entaso mu and I didn't na onko pe leader ma ha be en be say 20 emma no man be training ko fo mu wa nkyere mo be ko symposium ne sa seminars no mu nsuasua na wo be so okada fo nyina de o makoso mu nkosia no
so all the leaders ni bi be ko na o makosua mo ba mo abekere mo
all the leaders ko oh then that's fine and you okada fo na de o moko wo de o leaders ni na ko and they okay say ni ade bi abeso sua no obetimi a transfer ko fo ko they should go there and see maybe go be a month no mu how o mo de ne koso ho how o mo de ba ha but obetimi we ni na you should have those associations na America you should have all these associations. You know, do be a person ride the motorbike. You know, you must belong to one of the associations. Before you be join, you Ghana card or ho.
Who be ana?
Only Ghana card the amount because we should be able to track you. Okay, and that's one thing MPP government a beautiful Ghana card.
Ghana card.
Trust me.
Yeah.
A very beautiful idea. Even though we know say that idea it has been in system for a very long time, but one more time on na bit formalize it to do na be nya bia me nya bia me say be so nya bi. Nti something good. Nti no buy ya Ghana card no. O riding license wo ho. Okay? Nti no why do motorbike na buy ya omo do mbe. Samson association leaders and they cannot buy their own motorbikes. Nti wo buy na tracker wo me bia wo na the amount. Oko Dubai omo taxis ni na no. Your trackers wo ni na mu. Your camera nkasa ewo kan. Nti o tena mo taxi ma ye ndi wo. Nti o camera ba ko ehwe o driver no so. Na ba ko point nti bibi esi wo kan no. They know.
O tena taxi mo ye ndi wo.
Ye ndi wo. O do ya try ho say you don't eat in the car. Ye ndi wo kan no. Ye ndi na taxi do ko tema do ko dim ko tena for
public transport bus akese obeti medidi.
Dubai me nkonko for bus but definitely no say bia mo ko to na bibia. And I menye sure say make say mo didi because omo mo ko kunya ba bia rest of ba bia obi abetime sia ko didi no bia nsuo bia fine but about to beggar be near you know I don't in the taxis there meaning say they don't allow people to eat in the taxis.
Ghana how it takes
and a camera ewom.
Oh okay.
Oh yes, camera too ba ko say ebo ho a wo driver no ehwe. And am wo achi so camera ba ko edam so. Nti ofu ya bon the camera su ne bom. Se see bia make
camera no why monitor sa camera.
Share. Omukro in the massa, omo a lot of things okro no mo. And in man say bia wakofo wafo car no ja bibi wo.
Yeah.
Nti oja bibi wo mu a na ofre a obetimi afre ba bia obefre. Na say obi am for car wa ha. Time say medical ha. They will be able to track the car kwa na foul.
Wow.
The system is just good. Time na for before you be a best na bobi a 4. Be a me for airport.
Without you telling them the car number.
Be one for car number. You didn't pay the car. One for car number no. Or maybe sound information. Bunya dia they will be able to track the car corner found at that time. And that's serious. E nipa na yo. Enye sura bofo. E no bo tu paka bazi no ye e nipa. E nipa na ye. So why can't we do some of these things? You bet me ya bro by hand your politics they dead do.
Bibia politics.
Politics no and they too much. And I say obi ya de na de nye. The party phone nyina be support. Obi ya de na very good. Opposition phone nyina be against. Politics no and they too much. And in the oko Dubai baby a hono kono nye de ntina ya example no. Okopa America visa be Brazil and Saka but Dubai so ko see ya the yanzu go sika bituma ko see ya go there and see Kurabia the whole year so to mo once pe yeah time the whole year so to ba ko help ma bonten enwie wo ho ne flowers e wo kru no
nyame bo mo so nko
enya sa ama ma adwene ya adwuma ya adwene ada
nana
ya adwene wadi bangu za ada wada wadi bangu ana wada say you know no that's serious do one say see they know very well say anwea no kura na omudi edua haban no omo import and they gonna hire wo de aburo to abonte hire oboko na fifi no omo use a desert that have anwea no wonti mi fanye bibia and the amazing thing is that omo dua ya omo de pipes ti ene nam fom sa ba bia pipes na mo hu e wo na tia na se nti ana esoso nsu nti dua na pipe na fa ho nti na eso nsu gu so sa nti kura nsuo ntobia the whole year bi atosu to 1 to 2 pe ba bia ya flowers ba bia ya nua because they are thinking say yen nyankopon de koto desert le so a nka boya ma yashi okay now kuro komu a o ma dream no see the way these guys work no is beautiful yeah baby am fe no say am say am fe no safari park
yeah
safari park and so we go to South Africa da no ko Kenya da nso mo hono mo ano wo forest no Timothy kada mo nam ho o mo jata de nam ho mo chase mo a something of a sort and no my Dubai ho no abo bia ho obehu tiger ho obehu lion ho obehu hyena mo ani nyina bi ho and no my ye ne say de be ya wo de ka nam to say de wo South Africa ne other places, Kenya and all those places. But Omukro was so can we head any. But Motimia forest or high, you do be near womb. No, it's that serious. Oh, is that serious? Oko baby, or more before Miracle Garden. Miracle Garden, a flower and corn, or they design a whole garden. Now, I said almost a year. Now, say, and yes, artificial flowers, a mere flower and cast a deer. Nipanaye, or more butterfly garden. A pumpur and another one, dear Vanya, I'm over to Escape. A pumpur, there. May say, you were butterfly garden or what? Or money in the market, they say, Bissy, not, or your selfie. Because president, you grow up where you're from. I'm about pumping and rough. But go there and see, you have to pay like 100 dirham to go and walk here a pumpuru. Omukromusun toho. But see, a leadership. It is leadership. It's a hotel be a wood Dubai. What your hotel in a cavi na say be I must say 100 or 200 on a vino. A day be a loot your 10 dirham at the government. Oh yes. What you can and near taxa and no dear say be making online and OT Sika. Who could now check in? How many days now would be obedi 7 days, 70 dirham? No what ya. And no tax. And no tax acquired by whole street. And just imagine hotels do go crew. Almost every day almost taking a man. Then will be at 10 dirham. Meaning say hotel and casa fee now or more general. Almost will be on between my band. Where the special tax be say and the obetria a hotel for the government. And the young my honor. Okogana ha share said the airport why. Even sir, see at times me trans and me dream one I don't get it. I say ade no say who nim ye. No obia ye bia. Say nipa you do 10 years and the na. You don't even need 1 year to do the over 10 years because already the aye be there. Copy and paste. Yeah. And that's screen. I don't know why at the end of the to her. Dubai. Obeka say nipa na ye. Obeka say say abofo na o ma draw e be so be nipa car kwan. Hwe kwan. Kuro a nipa na achi. How the who drive na wan hwe oba mi se kwan o. It dem say oh ha na cha be a map. If you mom ni kuro kwan no na want the map and I'm saying everybody is using map to you be able to use it. One say kuro o mo desert true. Oil no mo. Apart from oil no mo share ni bibia bio. Yeah, oil you go. You woni nyina aka ho. Ba ye ntimi nye a quarter of that. They make sure we say we do mo taxi, we do airport. Terminal 3 no. Hon Emirates nko an ekọ ho. Omo terminal 2 other airlines won omo ko. Do bibia na obe ko terminal 3 means we the Emirates na ko ye. Na ko aircraft do omo. Na Ghana yete ye ni ba kokora aye the for pitumpo. 1. Kasi the for pitu guma na bi. 1 zi ni. We land now aircraft a good park and so see I say na wa land na who say thousands go no baby na wie mu ko ba bia unya mu ye na say o screen no success ya we hotel bia o mo fa no Bujarab no eno esipunum won say o mo twempo no ko akiri na ba jansu na ba nti wo bon say sinsu num hi o mo say 7-star hotel and before because hotel according to what they know no because say e ko to o mo say obebuki because Ghana we are paying for mutu kwa no mo did that. Wow. So you have to book and number check you who say unipa ko ban all that. Like make check you secret background and say because big guys na ko very expensive hotel omo na see omo ache na yeah ache na cross na first pa na me ko Dubai because 2009 ho baby na hu omo number plate na aye we na da so but say hu no ha bio unu ma de ko de what the play muna or banner who we na cross the cross the Christopher there yeah and is a Dubai and Islamic state nti say actually no according to your cotton na obika nti oh yeah Arab and painful who say na there is you say a big cross I representing Jesus Christ nti no this must be removed that almost the name according to Nipa na we turn na no say nti omo mu see and say no say you cross in free where dan enti mu nyina and according to Nipa na no de ekoto no a oye hodi no sa tour guide no yeah nti omo say enye yi nti na omo maintaining sa but number plate na do so nyina no mo change ni nyina say ko Dubai obonso number plate ni nyewe na that to be it's a very special hotel. I've been there around in Kotinam, but like I've gone to the area Then I make be about say we see one airport on.
Nana even drive your mpo no.
Fair aircraft. Oko ha omo nsuo no quite different. Ye nsuo na the high say you know. I say amuduru no. Oko ye bija. Me ko ye ata me call about the beach na me hwe pa na me see that here before crowd here kwa then high.
Nana your problem.
No then high.
As a black
to the point is that for no crowd no be we make jani na wum. Na ni padam. No before be high. The on say okwa brochiri a omo ko no say they say class te na omo put here say they ko gina bola bi tu a mumuru ba because mumuru na
wow he
aircraft ko na
Emirates no
then I make say what do airport ho awi a wasi no
yeah
ndo omo Dubai ho they be able to say more me say me ko ba me nte ho me ko ma cha be a week pe unya pie free airport ho a taxes na wo ho no your ordinary ones na a Camry na to say Ghana ha it's when your Camry a big boy Camry na a taxi wo ho oh yes the Camry no ho and then no achi no omo wo de to aso a na Toyota ba ko bia no so kaka no say Venza type no and so wo soro nke bia wo kura no madodo a na be fa wo eno achi ne wo limousine ne sa Benz BM Escalade your car bia bi wo ha say the VVIP wo ye VIP obi aka so wo ho ntonya pie ye na taxis ne wo ho nya afi na akopɛ car de aduru no so no na be so no afo na a day sika on be hwie wo airport no ko afa manfo mo fo car no because ta oduru ha obetimi adi line so a ten na taxi no se fo na ba nya se car ni wo car ho ba nipa odi line so na monfo like that
and these are the taxis.
Your taxi line now mo de ye even Bugatti now mo de ye taxi na sisi wo no. So what I'm trying to say is say o ma dwe no mu do. O say obi bia na oba kuro wi mo no. Oya tourist. Unya bedru ha. Wa on fa ka ma.
Na raho.
Ti make sure say wo sika he obotom no e say GB for our transportation system. Ntunya pie free airport na pa cars na wo bebrebe. Car no minim some of my members no ride the taxi no car ba could be any per 2 neka offer 4 p.m. obetwi akopim the next day na 4 a.m. no be for abegenti per 2 neka ka o kan sa from anti ejoa I said do we no go change oil and pen na ye dey pa o mo fanya adwuma to mo adwuma mo ya no they are just working like that and they are making money cars no nko an they are making so much money
say o hwe say do mo yo mo kro na nipa person mo
me say nipa wo Dubai ho nyase ngeto wo duru airport ho na hu nipa check out first pa na okwa ba ko diki so say o ma smart gate obi aduru ho na uduru ho pa uduru a wo de won spy so pa na bi na okọ enya afi na okọ migration yakọ bibi uduru ho na ape no wuram unless ebi uduru na wo issue or passport visa ho na bibi a na ya direct to say go to the immigration nipa ka kra bi na ho dodo na about 90% nyina go to the smart gate kele mani pa nche kwa na omoko Kwana monthly PR like that. These are some of their taxes. And now who are more policy for how much to use. I'm saying all this things here is about leadership.
Leadership.
Me no. And yes, I saw about we be baby and we more. No. It is about leadership. The good leadership. I trust some of these things you should be able to do in our country. But unfortunately, you're paying for now you're too selfish. Or no, can you imagine say there are so many police for not many police to be doing say police for more time masters some retirement as I buy no more kono yes I more contract 2 years what time we check this guy what ba no more kwa ya man 2 years and it's something they have been doing omo ba nipa le bia we affiliated to the party nti e say pay bi di man nipa na say na time aso a o man a contract so onye nti o ka say wa wu na wo ni obi man in place no there are other young guys omo ba mo fa omo nsha ho mpan fo nko pe bi nkoda we panimu a go and rest wabre go and find some peace and rest by greediness nti obetimi anko te adwuma saa na ka watwa ahwe no wawu ne asie ni say oy officer wawu adwuma at least see media to be honest with you our problem ni nyina no kata 2022 wake up no I was there me members now me group in fact me group baby out me group Dubai me obi o Qatar you obi o Saudi Arabia the whole world the country be transformation baby until 2022 I'm here wake up no.
Yeah.
Me group now when we invite me co-founder and some of our boys have been on motor to cry. We all went there. Na ko kata. That was my third time na me call. Kuluketwa that time me call no mun ni metro but yeah baba wake up yi. O manya metro system a owura asase na hu trainer and na asase na say ha. Agana hay ordinary chukuka yendim nye bi. The na bonte ha de yendim nye. Go there wo wura asase na se no obetimi afa left no so akwa na wasa akwa anti o check about 200 feet under the ground. Obekọ no asase na sin na yekuro. Eye nipa na eye. Ba ye ti ha na aburo. Yenya sika no kura na ese sika no ke efanto Ghana banks. Na nka bank ni nya ho interest no. Na ye rakote aburuchiri. Na nam dodo na sika no mu wi enti no. Ontimi kura nka na busuafo. Nipa so de we dan won kyerebo. Owu ana mafa sika no.
Na bro for Africa.
O de so nze Ghana akwa banks o mo policy ni say so bi esave ha. Na nipa ni wu. Na busuafo ni ma wo ye banka wo ha wontimi nka nkyero bia. Oh yes. Yes. Because according to me, lady be na oye adwuma e wo bank bi. E na man bi, man no wo sika fine. E na man ni free. Na o kan sika na da bank wa o man ni di mu a, o ka be se 3 wo ho. Na busu ya force wagya oba ne ma ta na bra na mo bre. The girl no so you no ye obi oye adwuma o bank o ni man no sika won account so. Not even though it's against our principle, but I have to go no ko ka che man me say when. Me ni kwan say kan beka we chiro ba me hwe bra no me bre na me hwe okun ticket da bank ho na I am saying it say bank ni ho be yimadi ti de obey ni say go to the bank okwa ka chiro mo say okun ka chiro say o save ha no save I no ba ha several times kura ba wonim na account number no e no free me kwa so ni save mu ndimu mi so nti no wo ba say okuru account ho ha de o me kan say bia ko fa ni bia ne death certificate fabra what the bar fa bibi che say okunu no what the baby are no, they have to go into it. Sika never mind account munyago.
Wow.
I'm telling you. The Ghana ha cry no save a bank. Now we na okunu na obusan phone na wu a bank na o monka o mefa. Nti ye mpan phone na dodo na de o musika kwa buruchiri kwa hwe nyina no. O monka hwe nkire o munim bebe sika na de ba jawe we jimi. We jimi ja no. Na che o wuzi ze e be sika no. De o monka o be ya na o ja no fi. O nim nyansa. O be sika na we jimi.
Na ko bi bi de
no, it's very painful. It's very painful.
Kobe, we need here a problem.
See,
a big problem for us as a nation.
May I add that me cassette?
Yes.
If I'm a president, may take bold decisions here. I know the Bama might not develop. Tell me, I talk about myself 4 years. I have made it 4 years. The mayor will be on top of my view because me did you be also. I will make sure say. With this 4 years no meya dia Ghana be giving you a beer because I don't see why I say wone we panyi wa adwumum na wo ye na amanfo no mo ho no nyina ba bi obi tia na ote me I can't take that mean to me
really
no I can't hey that be help me me call do me see o me call me nkoso he no kuro no
yeah.
There are things I'm for who and that's hey, I don't know better. I said, no, I'm a leader here, that's my duty. Because I say first no say afeswa. MC for any party also or monko for ba. No better than no mba o de snap me no bia ba no de bia malt bia we ni be me no ba no per envelope to bi de aka ho no de amomo. O mo bi anti ye pe we okay ati ba be ya amomo. De me code me so ya no. O mo de me so May 1st May 2023. From May now to December, now they are my okrudumo. Ye di bronya we new year mono. Aban pay for no ba ho. I was there. Omo buy up na. Omo so like asenti bronya asenti ba be di mu bronya na omo de envelope buy am 5,000 e wo mese den. I'm the 5,000 8,000 me fi na omo de malt we no. Cat no 2. And omo de pan 2 a year snap 2 ka ho na omo de buy. Ndo mu we no be say nti no is there anything na omo hia omo ko ka kira ban no hene so no yenkoso hene no he's doing almost everything till we don't think that we need anything from the government me ka kira omo tetu say yan as omo hwe omanim na omo hia no so no ko because me a president o man no sika wom I'll make sure say ye dey develop kuro no I mean the kuro be develop a oko baabia na you're a politician na man for complaining about something people don't complain about sike any omobotom ye pensuo ye pe kwan ye pe hospital ye pe way development kese ni nyina gina infrastructure so nti trust kese ye de to no what develop kuro no nti obi on ti hai no oba ha enye sika won krofo to no hwehwe o ade a obehu na ni so oba ye no yakwa ni na e kama oba ye light gina so oba ye no mfuturo ni kurom oba ye de cast ni nice no en na nipa ne kwa okoka che ko say monko kurom ko ya de na sika go obi aboto ma na obi adede metwe na kurom ye fia nobody will come here do ya ban yes a good say obe put sika I mean sika say amanfo benya sika but first focus on it should be development adan sisi adan ya kwan yie sa no ma no and the money is here you should be able to do that my more example say e fia wo kuro we mu no e sika
say de bia o kan
e fia wo kuro we mu no e sika ndi kuro ma ye fi na o say ehia wa jimi now I'm sorry using this word so kuro ma ye fi na o say adwuma ni kuro we jimi for because the thing is say fi na wo kuro mu no e nipa na ye de o mo sesa se nipa na sesa fi na tuaneka amanfo no mo ye fi no let them pay money to pay for the workers then aveye obi a o use like when fi bia prepaid wo no manipa no others bi na ono ade ne bola nyina begum okay kona tene das bi no to ni prepaid meter na bo ho no auto lighter automatically no what tua for ne dustbin nya fe na boso me so ese o betua wa yi auto light nkwa na wotua
but nana as we are okay fine suggestion but do you know our leaders say sikana woka say ebia ukoto light I metie from ne dia pidge dustbin say sikana omru ko ya
they make sure and say that's what I'm talking about leadership because penyin no ho no ye leader no say ordinary system say these things me mo bia misbehave who can do that
just like Andy Apia Kubi them put them horo galamsi
but only one is here aba say anything about leadership did they make can say me I believe in something nipa bi obewu no matter what we dan na o tam beso am we dan Buhari o se hwan na o de say
Buhari
akwa de we Nigeria for say ye demonstration no me atitu agu ko ye kum ko owen owu ye yan de say abo bi kraman bi ni what I'm trying to say is say o ye ni obewu unya position a judin keke nako
unya position a
judin keke nako anu no just ya de a unni ho a obi abebo wudin nipa wudin penebeka adan a yesisi ye yo ho wo de ya de se o si usi dan ma oma me boa ti wani abre den ya wo beto si fie ma oma biza se wonu anam no momu ahe enetem mo papa no fie obo se o papa fie bi o si ye no bi ante ho obi efe ndi asi nti wo dan ya wadwen se wusi a eboso no o ma benyi no dan no na say o mo mpe they will build their own nti yes o be ya bade ama de ba hwe se o be ya de be ma dim papa akawachi oh papa we ya president no on a years Kwame Nkrumah wu how many years ni
so many years
but still na ye boni di o Kwame Nkrumah na ye motorway on na ye we ya de a wudin ebeka ho opa manipa nya sika ngu ni botom endi ma de enche obi anka obiem I'm telling you nti se we panyin wo fie wo ma na ohan obi dan na da bia o de so kyen try na wadu na wudi nda bia no chemu mienu de mu ba ko na save sika ni bi na wa fa si wo fie a obetim ni ba bi ni wo ti ato ne wo ye na wabusua because aduane wudi ni ne o chena unya ja ona wi na o yire ko fi so didi nura so if you are giving people money to chop trust me say we a waste of time ya de beka ho development very important nti aban no person oya obetimi because other places that people are doing like I'm saying enye soro abofo and free soro e ba beye oko kata omo say omo oil bebebe yes omo oil nko no mo Ghana ye oil ni bi say yes here to your normal year anka ye gold nko ade gold be ye oil ntimi nye and ntini na say you hear good leaders omunye selfish okay because me must you baby you see a police station Sa land na me am atodi atodi da e wo kwa ho pe am I say in the future no me might say me nyi na me older. I would like to go and stay in the village. That's what I want to do because baby me for nature. Wow. Until no land e wo kwa ho baby a obeti go store home na man for hen han a wo so be di kakra. That's my plan. Wow. By baby a hen the man me say yensi police station no. Na a dance where old house.
All right.
Almost be atwam na ye ahemfie but I old house I say obi an sheda nti but still be wo animu. But today na say abusuafo no ebinom si no mo mpene ne ayi. Nti no hen dey say no say you su. Na say nana time me pentemu many times ah. Say afi na ye dey abusua betena say ye be pene ye mpene. Me wo land bi wo kwan ho me am yusu made. De ho na apɛ na me land no wo akiri. Na no bi dey wo animu. To me ka chen say we. Me pese wo de wo land ne mame. Fa me de no. Na me fancy police station me say makuru no nya me de. Ba ye me land na me de makuru wo de ne de wo fa me de no. I see 2-bedroom, nice house for him.
Wow.
Very nice, beautiful modern house for him. Even though land and on so I am doing it for the people because if you say we a leader, people should benefit from you. I am a land out. I am for him on one land because I'm already into real estate. How much a dime cost? Until for land now was it me the chokuru. I think of the people. Actually, I container mantemu amount for container because we container na nipa na block kwan. O see free o. O you know say one baby advance here. Nipa na be food there wo ye no ya makro ndi o. O see say kro ni ye fe na amount for bom. You should not be doing this. Na amount for ekuru man omomere. The amount for infra bonte me say dumo say kro no mantemu di the whole effect. But among for more containers, when you go, but I won't fancy baby. The people will not be happy with you. So we have to find an alternative for a baby or more container in at the alcohol. The baby must be a bucket in the war. Not land the bidder, I sort of video. I'm a coin for the castle. I land no a ben school do a bear market, your mom pay my money. I saw no until my country was a mom for land and a sort of for no. Even though you're more than the Omoko Mundu baby for. Tell me, Peland and I'm a magic. I'm the Nana, men Pesse, we better say. Me nkoso hene na me ba bedi no asase bintia ti me mpɛ o masase bi ase me am pese me si dan a me wo land am to da ba bi me am ti ba kosi wo ho nti akire ya ye hwa ase a ye yi container na free mantemu no. That's when I saw says I land no more can no I will need it hwe me ye me ko asore fo no. Na me say na nanom say mo land we no ye mpene ma mo nya asore wo so because e wo market and a school aso ni. The one here am land in Yadam with me sida. But me am land be wo ha Haneda the crumpe. Meti ne mo aso akosa land no. Wow. Na me fa me de ne mamo. Na momo de na e wo market in opposite there ohene so on pene mamu nsie yi no. Eno me dia. Na ba be me dia what I would do is container na yi okuru ni nyina na enye ba bi mfa nkosisi no. Ye very nyina nkosisi sa land no so na amanfo. And the period na ye yi omo containers no. Na everyday bia no bia ye tu container. Every day be amount 100 Ghana cedis. Wow. Yes.
That's kind of free.
No, and the first kind of ton chain. I've been papa na touch in hear me.
No, I've been papa you. But it is not easy financially.
Very difficult, but me person me who say if you want to do something good, you should be able to do it. Okay, second there you become one cemetery. Edenti obi bia ya tu no container ye nya nwie ma wo no. Every day no okọ office wa na ya mark 100 Ghana. Because if it was turn okay because I will turn a day woman for so be na day enuru 100 Ghana no. But you see your two container no. Ya ma baby am won fa nsi even though ye develop kroni de na ya ma wo ho akere wo ya nkasa ye tu container no ya be ma capital ko tu bibi afri so ya kokuru e de akosi ya ase ni bibi aka ma de ama wo aboso foforo na ye de ama wo sa na ye obi a de like that sa na ye obi a de who your leader you don't think of what you gain but what you can do for the people. So we've done all this ukokroma sa machines am toye the actual blocks and this pavement you no. Me ana me toye me mfantwa block back say emfa ma me ho.
Wow.
Say me twa one block say yes. Me see dan bi okronum.
Wow.
Me say up to now am no ka say me need dan e wodu masu ya.
Sompa FM.
Na ye krom no kra na sama ye pavement no. Me papa fie ni a na me offer so fie to aso. Man ye ho no sa ko bim say na anu ya na me ye. No I'm saying na one kasa wo fa fie ho na me kwa ho na mte metete wo sa anzama ko huta koda ade na wonye nam sɛ adwuma na yɛyɛ no yɛnyɛ na busua nti o ɛyɛ duma so yɛkura adwuma na yɛyɛ nti no me wɔfa deɛ kane na kasa akora no koraa no ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ na wɔfa fie kane nti na ɔyɛ deɛ ɔyɛ no yɛyɛ baabiaa wi ansa na me wɔfa hɔ kwan no mekɔhyehyɛ so I told my uncle ɔno na yɛ duma so nkɔ so fan ɔno yɛ chairman me sɛ ɔfa adwumafo mpanyinfo bebree wɔ mu ɔmo nyinaa deɛ menyɛ yɛ obi adeɛ meba bɛyɛ wɔ deɛ ayɛ sɛ me wɔfa no nti na mɛyɛ nti I'm not doing it ɔntɔ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ baabi awi asɛ ba bɛyɛ ha
wɔfa na anyɛ no de wo
ɔbɛpɛ onim sɛ saa na msuban teɛ sɛ adeɛ no yɛse yɛyɛ a yɛnyɛ ne yie sɛ na meka lady before sɛ ade papa no onim yansa na ade onim busuani sika ɔto gu sa na na ɔmfa nyɛ real estate bebrebe na nka ɔnyi sika daakye ne ma I'm saying no, I'm not that kind of person. I believe say yes. Ajapade oyɛ ma busua yɛ. Na uye leader, you should be selfless. Now when say we position no, it is not meant for your own enjoyment, but a responsibility be a wo yɛ de ma abusuafo. And it say I mean yanko ho, ba meko omo ye program meko bono. Ombe no from 1st August.
Omo afidi omo ye no osunya.
Omo ye o Odumase.
Oh, Odumase, okay.
Until 1st August to 9th August. The yame by the last day, you know, I have to be there. Okay? Nti kuro no anyame dia. Me ka medi hene kura na me maame papa. No your hene was suma hen kuro. Nti suma ho na ka me medi hene. Okay, nti duma say me papa dey free ho na but yeah free akoma mu ne yeah me say me need dan wo kuro no. I am saying no because say be me nim yan say nka nyame ayi wado na ga wanya sika no nka me koye kura nka land makọ jeland kese bo kwan ho makọ yebia metimi asi dai kama dey so but I feel so duma say nko so hene ne dan na afew no animu nyam hye de but say sika no ye betimi di ayama nipa dodo na benefit the empaying for amount so no and just party we ba so be say wo na wo ye leader now no make sure say you become selfless sika ese kwa amanfo ho no man nko nkrofo ho empuntu ese wo ye no do that because a dancer buwa na ubewu agya bibia ho akọ ade ba akọ pe na obegya ye odin pe na obegya ho akọ nti se wo nti na amanfo benefit yesem say de we Ghana emfutuo afa ba bia yi na wo ya aban na abas na wo nti Ghana kwan nyina ya odin ba papa Ghana hada ye train nya adwuma watimi aya to the point even metro kura ba mu a people will always call your name nti me there I believe say leadership is the problem ya Ghana nti nya good leaders no mo adwen papa no mo say o metima ya o man ni ya the same way I call the Middle East ne Gulf state ho na nkofo atimi abo makuna kama no yenso ye betimi aye bi but we have to become selfless na ye hu say ye ma panyindi a ese say wosom nkrofo anya amanfo ene somo
nana piao nana Monica sa nana wakasa mana du echiri and sisi no kasa okan na it boils down to leadership when them say tiefo a wo mutie yen woni a ehwen so nyina ebeka say nana de waka no eto asumo ba nana ba me so your leaders ya yenya from Kwame Nkrumah penso be do sisi no anye biaro were they leaders with that kind of niche.
If I meant my to Kwame Nkrumah but wo hwe no ma papa ne be ye ya because Kwame Nkrumah saso pa no menjindum se yenya bi sisi ya na mama ba the second time I hope say obeye no ma enye say normal the same story no obi ba ye kwan ye we na ma obeye monumental no ma bia ebese sagana ye hyebre prekope but as it stands now from Kwame Nkrumah ya meto no now here normal no be ya me bi say yenya ne leader bia asa yeah ba ko ye twam na no de kra de kun me can be here but last go for time he did so many wonderful things go for 2008 I remember very well now they nenye I'm busy say with you hey this will be on kind of credit na because say hey will be on kind of him say especially the last 4 years mama be your only 4 years you have every chance to prove people wrong on say me ko do mesia mama kan na wo question me den dia me ko ye dem ye no on say me obi a me social media pa dem bia me kasa and the bad social issue a ye gina ka bi empanyi for no mo homode nti amanfo wo say me so chiama yanwe ho munyina za na mote unya position at the same thing you will do nti me ye bo me nkoso hen dem ka me say me I will prove people wrong. Wow. Say no I told myself that me I will prove people wrong say no bia na o man mpanyindi a na funtia and then within 1 year no my people go there and everybody is so shocked say hey how is it possible na me what for me catch it offer e din ga me offer me say you dia flowers oba bia na you dia grass oba bia I say no e be na etimi aye na me say e betimi aye oko Dubai nso nto ho omudua awia kete na me so fa yenko ye fefere boys ye de ko for pickers me kura bi na ha se ne tutu e hodin den de anana ha you do agree say e be yi ene ko hwe oko ba bia ye green no ya na edua ye di a kire me say kura yi mfutu omu do ofa me ku ba bia pavement o say na say na okay me say ye be ye abo na Sunday about 3 p.m. Why me so in PA say Fred Caterpillar guy no mra. I said na dey say Fred no. The one of na me say we Brazil see am say over level one street my near she pavement wa ha.
Wow.
Be kan any be 30 minutes or buy no chance no be levels one street no. To go do me say baby ya the backgrounds no was that street that day ne or level ni nyina. Why me say we pavement dey twagu ho no. Mo nso ani nyina megu o kina ye hye kwa ni nyina.
Hey,
if you are not going to one whole street, you're sitting in a pavement. Mr. Moyade, no be a traffic do. Hey, ADF, when I'm saying yes. Nimdiano no. I don't know about ten. Ubet me aye. So the point is that our leaders should understand. Say we a leader. It's not about card do na better na munu and no. Don't forget say among for na who lead your mono. Omo is more benefiting more essential. So when you're a selfless leader, you will be able to manage things that would be better. Say I know my would do me maybe say before me no. Me young we say better me answer. Na watch again. Before me say me man jiga say be akuro no be ame nko hobi na me say me guso ame ye nko so hene na. Before I would die no. Me din beka ho ama centuries to come no people will still be calling my name.
It is true.
Because the TN say ya ma me position no. I will be able to do it. My men yes will be Madam Cynthia, but me say they may no for years to come people will still be calling my name. They say me makra chinabi will because me papa ne na AYEBIAFO JNANA hey my way papa way that's it. Enu ape cast the work to be you see be am obusu ye but we a leader make sure say we impact no is felt positively. Among for feeling we present say akwa we buy ye the why any dear you who be that. And yes, I know I think it's a waste of time. Where we see time, where we see other people's time. I don't believe in that.
Nana AYEBIAFO JNANA and I'll tell you, of course, he's talking about leadership. How you can make leadership effective and efficient. Say we decide to bring the mawa among for betimi I then also they actually be they were cancelled. And that is what Nana says. Say, we yenya aye leader there. But modern naji udi nako. Environment physical, environment people. Ba ko bi ni there. Ya ni leader iwi. Afena o man ni Japan there. Ana grow na Japan there ya bono. Obe sani gina. And that is bad. But my main concern Scout say a Techno Spark 4 series, and that's what German so a nice phone. It is brand new, latest on the market. Techno Spark 40 series. Techno Spark 40 series. Phones we a serious to say. We are all German so but modern compare there. Like I said, a Techno Spark 40 Pro Plus, and only your friend the big boss 30398 0205 030 398 0205. And now you can check out on the social media pages IG you can check out on their social IG pages, and it's at Techno Mobile Ghana and TikTok at Techno Ghana. But all TikTok at Techno Ghana. We have to bet me enya a Techno Spark 40 series phone AYEBIAFO. I said the market on the border form a camera, a slick, a boy you may pa. Kai say it is slimmer, it is stronger, and it sparks everywhere. Techno, stop at nothing. Electroland Ghana Limited for some way she dominate and then you read. Ready for God and country you may be a brewer. If I chose Obeto electronics are. Makachiro dollar number form electronic Electroland for so am almost why remember minimum can say o mat womuniama to say who me purchase a TV now pay air condition, fridges, washing machines, kettles, rice cookers, microwave, blenders, and of course all products say NASCO, say Media, say Samsung, say TCL, but more than Pana for Winichre, Electroland Ghana Limited. Now, Kotade Owa, you remember a 15% discount, Umpewin up a ding. Yes, I to add any we about 15% discount. Yes, I check the guso. Me patch us out to can then you but more than Pana for Winichre, a year Electroland Ghana Limited. If you're more Techiman, Bia any main Kumasi station, a Benzwa, any backs or the dino, a dinsh anymore. While Kumasi for Winichre Kasi Junction, and I said Tech Junction. And again, when you're in Accra, go to Adenta Barrier, Dantuman Runabout, Industrial Area, Bia the Melcom Plus, and the share more. Say, wow, Sunyani, Mankasim, Kip, Stakra, the Tamale, Kaise, or more all stores around. Remember, you can call them on 0245 949495. Again, from more 0245 949495. When you make any afufra akabum and then you read. Or my soya said and there, yet for God and country, you may know everywhere. Eddie Cano, me can endpoint homeopathic clinic, who has some edit show. So I saw 21st clinic, so boy, she don't kese pa. Pepsodent Cavity Fighter. Pepsodent Cavity Fighter toothpaste. We have toothpaste with a come up. Pepsodent Cavity Fighter toothpaste. Pepsodent Cavity Fighter toothpaste. We have a come up. I will German so Sabre Utemenka. Now be you say now see now Ushino be bear kama. But more than a Pepsodent Cavity Fighter toothpaste. Come up. Your big size. That is 175G, and then a family pack, no. So as soon as you 120 grams, and then a Jaqua pack, and also you 65 grams, you 12 grams, and then a sachet, no. We patcho Pepsodent Cavity Fighter toothpaste. Would you choose yan patcho? A idea, Emma Ahutoso, Emma Winum, a ye kama, Nampuno. So what did you choose? Now, O Casadipa, and can't through Wenumubano, a ye kama, a ye new saint. Nampacho, so what started now you should Pepsodent Cavity Fighter toothpaste here, and ya dear, me patcho. Obeko Hospital say, menyaka ana menyase yade. But modern power free on 0800 161 000. 0800 161 000. But if you really need a free dental care, so friend number ya meka ya yebema free dental care. It is free, and remember, one customer care center no 0800 2030 0800 2030. Pepsodent, every smile matters. Nana Sabre Endiche. Yeah, sorry, so today we've spoken widely on leadership, and you have used yourself the waye the akasa chere amansan. When him said Nana no be 80, a man penny for ye man penny for no be 80. But you see, they will listen to these messages, but when it comes to actioning the message, it becomes a problem. The willpower.
It's true. The TN say Abrabonan Casa and Nipa had anti-asia. So what you Abrabasi na obey very careful. Action be taking. I believe and accept the universal law of karma. I actually say they will be do and be try. I believe that and I accept that. Adebiana will be Diano, will be try. Now, we try to crave no. Was a fool now, so we'll go through it.
Wow.
Yes. Was a fool, we'll go through it. Because of this kind of understanding, any faith, you know, and I'm going to be very careful.
Wow.
So, me will be fire, Uncle Fire. Now, in that relationship, will be home better than one. I want it to be me, not you.
Now, let's say it again.
Me know a business.
Yeah.
Now, in that business, one person will be cheated. I want to be the one to be cheated, not you.
Why?
Because I know, say, Adivia may it will come back to me and my descendant.
Wow.
Yes. So with this faith, you know, I'm very careful, especially when I'm a positioner. No, I will excel there. And that's the first time I have been a temple president of the educational movement.
Hey.
I've been a PR for even up to the PR for many years. I'm the National Council chairperson. You go back and ask my record.
The National Council chairperson?
The whole Ghana.
Hare Krishna?
Yes. So go back and check my record. That's me. I don't just talk. I say what I do what I say. Because they tell me say ube free mo. You will leave. Just be good. Have positive impact in the lives of people. That's it. But I see people don't understand. I can say you better not say no, Buhari. It was very powerful. Over Nigeria, over Africa, West Africa, Nigeria is the most powerful country. It was so powerful to the point say, "Oh, Jiga be kukum krofo anyhow." He's gone. So they are telling say, "We a leader who say, and I'm be a wutuno. Repercussion ebeba woso, ene wase for so. Be good. You don't mind seeking in answer on sa. Meeting. You should put the people in the center of all your discussions. At the end of the day, no, will it benefit in Kofona? If our leader begin to behave like that, trust me, say, the good politics about board minor, or more for minus the canon yet no basa because we can make a first, no, who took out the economic class. See, and I'm saying, mine to me a mountain, who took out the first class. What na business class be 2-3 times. Na echi edokota na economy na be say easy. Because bia one no first what na economy say o. You see na mzo ya ban panyi mu bi nti utu kwan first class. O kwa na VVIP. Amanfo kokota na ho atwen ya say ye be wodi number 6 momra no. O fa ha na de wakowuram. That kind of privilege na wanya no. Use that to serve the people. Until you have that privilege, no. Let me say, no, you the say, a month will be a 12 hour, and a month will be granted, and we are MP now, Parliament. On Kaibi, so baby, I would be honorable number, no, be answering. Say, Dina Wenyan, who say a month will be among us, Edino. The what tenacity be now, we discussion be now. Put the people in the center. Says Uncle Fui. Your guess if I'm flower guess. Flower guess, or Monday, and no mere flowers and coin. Omudia flowers no muguso. So I was in Dubai, and I'm saying, my cry was me say to Omokadi, but is there anything I meet me at their mom? To me call shop back when I'm sympathetic, me perform back 20.
Wow.
Yes, Android phones in be. Samsung very nice one, me per 20. Or Bob Bonnie secretary. It's okay. These people, a Juma mo even though you tree Omoka, but to one chair now or my now modi Jumana, I want to go and surprise them. Now me far from back. Let's say I can say 20. To me buy and from say I bought phones for all the girls. But money to no one frame meet from meeting na mobi me back. Or my phone na on back and a tomai they will pray for me. There's a phone back where $100 and get $2,000 I gave to 20 of them. 20.
Really?
Me and I'm toy and you be on Mr. Me grow am on Monday to go munya na ma to America. Kono as be any go to be anywhere. Be anywhere be never to free so but I feel say the people are so dedicated. And above 3 a.m. no sorry. They do dresses na. I saw almost trying to go flowers ni na so because me can say me see be wu a omo wasem. Ti omo yes and even the wood omo ka be keto be there. But through akoma mu ti me trust the bia me tu kwan ko country bia so. Transformation no I me call baby, I me call myself no here then. Me say mpacho mom fa me costa me nya bibia madumesua.
Wow.
You won't be me too quiet say makoto mpaboa na tade me ho da. Me call South Africa. Me no mo na call e. Isam omo call e me sika bia na ho mo say na usika ready me say me pese me to mowa. Mowa na the future grass no no my design flowers near yi. Omo dey me call big shop. Sky spend when you say ketwa. Man to ade ba ko say matompa boa na tade ba ko. Dumesua.
And I said,
me call Europe. Me cry back, Marco 5 flower seed in Kuana Metoye. Me call shop, me say me pe grass and cassa. Ye boss of fill that as a be of for the boss of born. Let me go to Messia. Cry back, Marco 4 23 kilo flowers in Kuani. Me took me say me call India. Ye ba ko brunya no no. Me say Oko Dubai no man light e okrum no. E ma krom ye fe. Me kura bag mako 8 light nkwa 23 kilo bako 8 me tori nyina from India na masen akwa awo da bi sukura awo US okoye krom ho na on say ayi na de bobo ka kwan so ayi reflectors no
yeah
bag mako be 10 awo be free US brother
do me say bi o
oh okay Yes. Sorry.
Then I think I must visit.
No, I'm telling me to Kwanko baby and I said, almost another pedaya. What comes to mind first is Dumasia? Is there anything that commit me and your
that's a mark of a good leader.
And that's what I've been doing all this while. Like
I pray that one day you can have a show.
Or they mean call because me fear many is here. And yeah, they are make presidential.
No, but now you look young.
No, I look young. But the thing is, before Ghana forward, you remember say MPP needs him on 20 years. I'm here with you.
Whoa.
I'm telling you. A bedroom be a Ghana for so MPP and this and be a uncle Buano. And you never check that time. I'm an old man. I want to rest somewhere. Until I want to say some. I dream them team. Senyame madam. Na mitimo yedi nyina wo domasuya people understand say yes we panyimo betimi asesa normal make na me wiska bebebe boroso a kaba na odumase kwanka say Dubai no but sika no e hara no so ntikakra benya na wo de wana da akoshim o man da akoshim kra sa nti ni nyina ne say people should understand we a leader e ya manfo bi nti na we leader no if those people are not there leadership no faso bi ani so Tibibia, Motinas cabinet meeting, Motinas Babia, no more discussion, Diana. Have the people in the center of that discussion say, you know, a couldn't put in the end. Then they beat me. They took a baby and me here to be a dumas and a drink can first. I'm being sincere with you.
You don't think about yourself.
Me call baby, I think what to cry, I call Europe. Now, when I have a shopping mount. Because I am better to Tom Papa, Mr. No. For me call baby, I mean your grass, mean your seed, mean your seed. And none in bitter. And let
me see. Japan George says, Nana, you are a true leader. Answer your boy Frederick. God bless you, Nana. Japan again says that for our leaders, how they used to get into power. That is why they can't develop the country. Or say our leaders and getting into power is for that reason why they cannot develop the country. True. God will always bless you for your good heart and deeds, and you are doing a great job, Nana Dumesia. So many messages for a year to be read, but Nana, all I can say is Yamin Shah.
My memory example back could be I won't say yellow beer, old Messiano, so I tricycle. Yeah, dear, no, I have 7 passengers. Meto back could be $4,500. Meto 11. Okay, Meto 11. Back could be $4,500. Me and I'm try. Say me kase be a na me kase be a moya adwuma but so me so ye no ahe na munya mo famra e be e wochena.
Umzo na omoye 6 wa ho.
Omoya adwuma ye 6 na. Omo de koso e de ye adwuma okromo. Wow. E be aboso me aso munya ntu omo ka no say eska me ni cap prese wum. No one kobo. Not one kobo like this am get say oboso na ko ma dey hear you. Yet say you will die. Till the obetimi aye bia and do it. Because when the time is up, o no man awo ye na bebu atanya so na woko. Say the wo conduct ho how oni amanfo kasa, amanfo bo wanim say no receive omo ason dem de wo ye adwumam de wo ye said the wo ye wo no man no. At the last end no, and no near the bejejo. And I feel say me nyam obi o me yama me ankasa me ho. At the end of the day, you know, when the time is up, that's what I want to do. I believe in that. Nti mesre obi bia na wanya position. Ye fa ready usu SOMPA FM 106.5. Aka chiro bia say totono mayi because my opposition na e bibi nti na di position e ma. If those people are not there, opposition for so be any so. One won hene a amanfo nsha na seda. So you need subjects to become a chief or a king. So no think of them first. Because we have privilege in India. So I'm going to forest. I'll be your hand. What the forest be anywhere? Monkeys now over your hand. Nobody will serve you. I'm paying for an You've got an opportunity. Serve the people. Serve the people. What time was so now quiet. We be dead in papa or hammer, one was a phone in ano, and ya dim papa.
Nana, that's a great one. But quickly, let's end with some messages again from Facebook. Oh, God would always bless you for your good heart and deeds, says Fosinofori. Ama Kesewa says that you are doing a great job, Nana. And then Josephine Chure Agbenohevi says that God bless you. Ose Frimpon, great Nana Ayebiafo from your global advisor.
Yes, that's my advisor, all US.
Oh,
Maryland.
US, yeah. So, okay, that's fine. Then Bashiru Hamidu says that we need some true leaders like this honest man. May God really bless you. And then Ni Ajang Uraka Tete. The only way our leaders can get enlightened is to stop eating dead meat to bring their system back to homeostasis, to think right for the development of the country. Let me read it again. The only way our leaders can get enlightened is to stop eating dead meat to bring their system back to homeostasis, to think right for the development of the country. And then Stephen Yadom says that we would always pray for you, Nana.
Thank you, Stephen.
King Cobb, God bless you, Daddy. And then Francesco Toga, a great leader by example. God bless you. So the messages, plenty messages here, many messages here. We can't read all of them, but we just want to salute your listenership and your viewership, especially when we're sharing on Facebook, TikTok, wherever. The comments that you have brought, we really appreciate the comment. Nana, thank you so much for coming.
God bless.
But we wish you well. Why?
Thank you very much.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I was for you from me, Kobla Abochie, aka Prof. I had a Mrebe Makwaimai Jumedi. Let's see. On behalf of the team, Bright Entry, our executive producer, and then Minuya, your friend is saying, "Cry, hey, we did the piano, we didn't wait yet." Unkai Mikakra.